Right. Perfect. All right, so it seems like we're coming through YouTube. Let me just do a quick post here. And all right. This. There we go. All right. Good morning, guys. Welcome, welcome. So if it's your first time here, it's a Frenglish session. So basically, I'll be bouncing from French to English, trying to answering questions, reviewing charts, giving trade ideas. If you want to share your chart, you only have to click on this little camera here on Trading View. You're gonna go to the end of the link here. You're gonna select from the \X to the end. You're gonna paste that in the chat. Let me do this in French. Donc, bienvenue à tous. Si c'est votre première fois ici, bienvenue. C'est une session en trading live, donc qui sera en franglais. Donc, je vais passer du français à l'anglais, de l'anglais au français, essayer de répondre le plus possible aux questions. Si vous voulez partager votre chart, votre analyse, tout simplement cliquez sur la caméra ici en haut à droite de TradingView. Allez jusqu'à la fin du lien, sélectionnez la barre oblique X et le reste, et vous allez coller ça dans le chat de YouTube. Donc maintenant, allons voir notre top-down analysis. By the way, I took an entry here, here on the opening of the candle. Stop is, I use a fixed stop of, actually I placed it just under that QP. Actually just above 256. Partials at 626. 26. Here we go. So I'll show you why. All right, guys, so let's do the top-down analysis. Well, this trade is halfway to auto break-even set at 11 pips. Now I'm running 6 pips profit. And 7.5, holy shit, this thing is going for real. All right. You got your 10 pips?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm glad for you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, should be good. Should be good. All right, so let's take a look at what happened here. All right, let's go to the monthly, because I didn't do my chart. I didn't do my zone yet. I just saw an opportunity and I jumped on it. All right, so now looking at the monthly right now. I mean, right now we're printing bearish. We broke previous high, respected previous low so far. Looks like we're coming back up, but who knows? It's still early in that month. But we've been training bullish really hard right now the past couple months. Donc, si on regarde le chart du mois, hold on, wait a second. Snap a picture here. It's about to hit. I'm at 9.2, 9.6. Right, let's go. Missing 2 pips. Go. Quick spike. It's gonna be a risk-free trade. Let's go. Oh, 10.8. Oh, come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Here we go. Just hit. Oh, my sound was off. Shit. So my sound was off, but just got hit. All right. So 11 pips. Thank you. All right, awesome. Let me check here. Can we get 15 right away? 12 right now. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Holy. Yes, early birds got the worm.
So we are closing the stream right now. Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Now I'm going back. I'm going back to bed. Fuck this shit.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Fuck this shit. All right, so that was a lot of fun. See ya.
Tomorrow.
Let's just make sure I hit that 15 pips, and I'll be pretty happy with that. All right, so anyways, let's get continue with this monthly. Donc, si on regarde la chandelle du mois, on a brisé le haut précédent, on a respecté le bas précédent, donc on est très, très, très bullish. Donc, donc, if we look at the weekly, all right, weekly right now, I mean, again, same idea. We broke previous high, respected previous low. We're trending bullish. If you look, this weekly candle is not closed yet, right? So, but once it's closed, oh, we're still in the monthly. What the hell? Here, monthly. So if this monthly candle closed like this, our fib's gonna be valid. But until then, it's not valid. We cannot use a fib right now. But we broke previous high, we broke previous low also on that weekly. So this weekly candle is no help for us, except for the fact that now it's bearish, right? So, but right now, not much help from that weekly. Si on regarde sur la chandelle de la semaine, on a brisé le haut précédent, on a brisé le bas précédent. Donc, on n'a pas beaucoup d'aide de cette chandelle-là. C'est comme incertain, à part le fait qu'elle est bearish. C'est ça. Now, looking at the daily was more help. All right, so if you look at the daily, price, do you agree that price is trending up, right? Price is trending up. We made a new high, came down, retest the high, form a new high, came down, retest the high, form a new high, price came down, and now we need to retest that new high on that daily candle. So if you look, we can use our friend Fibonacci here and look at this. We are straight in that golden zone here. So I'm looking for an entry on lower time frame to retrace all the way up. So that was the thinking behind this. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart journalier, donc si on remarque, le prix est vraiment à la hausse. Donc, on est allé à la hausse, on a créé un nouveau sommet, on est venu en bas, retester le nouveau sommet, on a créé un nouveau sommet, on est venu en bas, former un support pour retester le nouveau sommet ici. Là, on a formé un nouveau sommet, on est venu en bas, et là, on doit former un support pour retester le nouveau sommet. Donc, j'essaie de voir si j'étais pas capable de prendre une entrée sur un time frame plus petit. All right. So 4 hours. 4 hours, same concept. If you do the fib, same idea. Fib's gonna be around here. And again, so now we're trying to form support here on H4. So if we do form support on H4, but this is a brand new candle, right? That just opened. So we don't know. We might be just printing that top wick and continue down. That's also possible. So you gotta keep that in mind. But I don't care if it does because I'm at break even right now. So if it does, it's a risk-free trade. I didn't secure any profit because I'm testing something new. For the past week or so, I secured profit at 15 pips. We went to 12, and yeah, hopefully we can trigger that partial TP. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart du 4 heures, donc on dirait qu'on est en train de former un support, mais il ne faut pas oublier que c'est le début de cette nouvelle chandelle 4 heures-là. Donc, peut-être qu'on est en train de former seulement le haut de la mèche pour continuer vers le bas. C'est quelque chose qui est très possible aussi. Il faut garder en tête. Looking at 1 hour, I mean 1 hour just like it came down. Now look like we came down here to form support and to retest again. But again, this is actually the end of the 1 hour. Okay, so this is the second half of this 1 hour candle, and it's printing bullish as we speak. If you look at the 30-minute, we had a nice support form, engulfing support right at the 500 QP. And if you do here, let me put my zone. So let's do those zone here. 4. Go. This support right here. And that's something we talked about yesterday also. We talk about price coming down over here. So actually if I still had my runner, my final TP was at 151, right? Because we spoke about that yesterday because we said on the daily price should come in that golden zone. And if you look, we are straight in it right now. So and we were tracing up. So looks like should be fine. So again, let's take a look here at zone H1. Let's adjust this. H distance now. Yes. Since 1 hour, we're gonna adjust it. Good, that's good. We have this previous support right here. 1, which is right on the dot of that QP also. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We have a small zone here. So I mean, that looks pretty good. Donc si on regarde sur le 30 minutes, c'est le même concept. Okay, on the 30 minute, let's adjust the zone right here, and yeah, should be good. Should be good. All right, let's put this at break even right now. We need to stay above that QP for continuation. So far, we don't have a bottom wick on that 30 minute. So it might retrace down. We don't know. Or it might just push up because there's a lot of bullish pressure. Because this is a nice engulfing candle here. We actually pushed. We pushed like to 12.3 pips profit. But again, I secure at 15. So look like I'm going to get stopped at break even maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But I think there was a pretty textbook here. All right, so let's see if we have any question about that on the chat right now. Let's see. And after that, we're gonna do GA. Hey Sasha, here's my London session trade with London guys during Zoom. All right, this is coming from Francesco, our rock star. All right, so let's take a look at this. All right. All right, so basically, let's remove those there. All right, so 30-minute candle, close above the range in volume session.
Below.
Did I say? Oh, below. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Below the range. Okay, this is which chart is that? This is the 30-minute. Okay. Perfect. Entry with a dogtail setup when candle broke previous low with a small risk right here. The cup. Oh no, this one.
Yes.
One. Go below. You took it before the breaking of the low, no?
I took when the actual bullish candle broke the low of the bullish candle.
Oh, I see.
Because just make a tail, but trace up, I stick with my rules, so I put a partial stop loss when eventually broke the body of bullish candle, other stop loss, and the previous high.
Nice. First target was 10 pips, second was the major QP, and third wick to fill to the left smashed all. Wow, man. Francesco, this is awesome. If I just see that, now if you wait for break and retest, break, retest, boom, less stressful. And yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good.
Thanks.
Good job, Francesco.
London guys was fun.
Yeah, there are some good people. Are we gonna keep them in the team? We're gonna keep them in the team.
Roman, Simon.
That's awesome. So we're not
Simon,
so we're not firing one. We're not firing anyone, right? We're keeping everyone.
Simon got
Simon got a good move. Yeah, that's good, man.
at 40, yes.
Wow, man.
45. Simon Root.
Man, you guys paid for the course already. Shit. That's crazy, man. Crazy shit.
Thanks, Sasha.
Hey, man, that's freaking awesome, man. This is my paycheck right there. You know, seeing you guys having success, man, there's no price for that, man. This is fucking amazing, man. All right, let's take a look at YouTube here. Sasha, bonjour, bonjour. Bonjour, Calpia. Good morning. Morning, Armin. I got the GJ cell now. Was it pick? Oh, nice, Brian. Hey, Clay, what's up, man? Harmon, what's your analysis for this trade, bro? Oh, actually, we just went over it. Sasha, are you opening the Zoom, bro? Once my students is logged in, pretty much all of them, I'm gonna, like I discussed in the Forex talk over a beer, yesterday night, you'll know where to find the Zoom link. Um, and we're only gonna do that today and tomorrow exclusively. Next week we'll go back to normal. This is just to make something fun. Uh, which scenario will you have a second entry on GJ Long? None, because my stop was too big at this moment to risk a second entry. Have a good session. Back to sleep for me. All right, good night, Clay. Bonjour Sacha, bonjour Kassim. Could you please check my last trade, Amex? Amex, like a credit card. Look here. Man, price went back to 12 pips, 11 pips. Now retracing again. Teasing me. Teasing me. Need a little push, man. All right, so here, this is GJ 15 minutes and 30 minutes. All right, I saw a lot of rejection. Wicks candle could break above 151.230. Okay. Rejection, which was probably pretty much the 250 QP, just just above here. Rejection candle has been created. Okay. Open trade when this candle closed. Man, this is so confusing. I don't see the colors, but yeah. Person might probably be colorblind. Maybe I don't know. Price created a zone on 5, which has broken with it. Okay. Yeah, I think the entry was great here because you had your resistance right here. So I mean, nice engulfing candle. You had your break and retest, I guess, and yeah, entry made sense here. Your profit, the previous support, perfect, man. Pretty good trade. Pretty good trade, Amex. Solid, man. Can I get like this 2 pips here, please? All right. Let's see. All right, so let's do GA. Oh, that's Yassine. All right, possibility on GJ. All right, let's take a look at this. All right, so this is GJ 30 minute. Sells if resistance form below 750 QP. Would be awesome because my partial TP will got hit. Uh, or sell below 250 QP. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, that would make sense. Yep, that would make sense. I think though it all depends because I know there's some news now incoming about vaccines, so it might be negative. We might be coming down lower actually. So that's why if price comes back up to like 10, 11 pips, I might secure some profits because I don't like this. Um Yeah, we just need to stay above 500. All right, so that's good. That's good. That's good. All right, 120 people on and 20 likes. What's up with that? What's up with that, guys? Come on. Don't forget to give a like to the stream, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel also if you didn't do it. Go. Boom.
Sasha, I have a question about volume.
Yeah.
So let's say London session, New York session, and we don't see any volume coming first couple candles. Is it okay to take impulse entry after, let's say, first candle or second candle? Because example today, London opened before this huge candle on GJ dropped.
Yeah.
But it opened earlier, so like the volume came one candle after the
Okay.
opening.
In London session, I'm gonna have to check. Like, gonna have to check again and see like what's causing the volume. Because in New York session it's a little different. Because at 8:30 you got the NY open volume. At 9:30 you got the NYSC volume, and at 10:30 you got the London close volume. So that's why, yes, you can take between those times that there's going to be volume, right? So that's why it's a pretty big window, of volume.
Impulse entry if you would trade London session. Support at left, poke this cube, London and then we got like.
Yeah, I would definitely, I would have definitely taken this trade here on this candle.
Once we break the.
Yeah, right here. So that would be my entry because this is a nice engulfing bearish candle. It closed like right on the dot. So I mean, at this stage you cannot do anything. But if you wait for price to come up and now break the low, which is also the QP, I think it's a good indication for price to continue down, right? So yeah, no.
But it.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. Yeah, I would have done this. Well, give me one sec, guys. I just need to change something in the setting. I think if I do this, okay. Okay, perfect. You can go ahead, Simon. Sorry.
Yeah, I took it when it broke the low of the candle that broke the QP.
Yeah, right here.
This candle has broke the QP. I took it on the second candle, the long one.
Oh, this one, yeah.
When it broke the previous, because we have the support at the left.
Which is perfect also. You had two chance here of taking that trade. Because, I mean, you got this one at a tiny wick, right? But it closed under that 750 QP. And when it breaks the low here, it's also clearing that support. So, yes, it makes sense also. Totally. So, you had two chance of taking this trade. Right here or right there. Which is also, if you look on H1, you have your resistance form, huge engulfing, and you got this H1 here coming up to retest that QP a little bit and breaks the low on H1. Because if you see there's no support here, there's a minor support on 30 minutes. So you know that this minor support can be breaking easily because it's a 30-minute support. If you look on H1, there's no support, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's why we need to check.
Yeah, always check. Yeah, always check your 1 hour also. 1 hour also gonna give you a cleaner chart, right? So look at this. This is so much cleaner. You know, that's worth a fake out, right? So this was your range between those two QPs again. Price was playing ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Whoop. We broke here. Fake out, you bitch. Let's go down. So, yeah.
By the way, when this candle broke the resistance, we were about to take a long position, but we were waiting dovetail setup.
Exactly.
Yeah, and that's why we didn't got our stop loss. It was so great to understand it.
Yeah, because there's a tons of people who's gonna see this and say, "Oh man, we're breaking out to the top side, so let's take an entry, right?" And people's gonna get fucked. So you need to wait for that break and retest or that dogtail setup. It's gonna save you, man. It's gonna save you so much.
Yeah.
All right. So, okay, let's take a look at GA. Let's take a look at GA. I'm gonna do GA pretty quickly. Where's my? Okay, my mouse is here. All right. So GA on the monthly chart, rejecting the top side pretty hard, coming down. We broke previous high, respected previous low so far. We're still early in that month again. We got some nice wick to fill on the monthly to the downside also, so we'll see how it goes. Donc si on regarde sur le chart du mois, on a brisé le haut précédent, on est en train de descendre, on a eu une grosse réjection en haut, on a des belles mèches à remplir, voyons voir ce qui va se passer. Let's take a look at the weekly quickly. Quickly. Damn, I'm a rapper, man. Let's take a look at the weekly quickly. All right.
Be careful of YouTube copywriting.
Yeah, you're right. God damn. Oh man, please don't stop me out. I'd break you. Please. No. You don't do that, GJ. Go back up, you bastard. Come on. Alright, you got your bob.
If it will break the previous candle, it's gonna be break and retest, right?
Yeah. Alright, so now I'm stopped at break even. That sucks. Alright. Oh well. This is the second time only that I have my trade going over 11 pips and didn't got to 15 pips. So this is the second time in probably like 14 trades. So it is what it is.
You didn't secure any profits, Sash?
No, because I'm still testing this thing. I need more numbers, right? But so far, I think this is the second time only. So that's why I'm not mad, because I mean, there's 14 other trades that I secured 4 pips more. So this compensate way more, you know. So yeah.
It's like 30% more, right? I mean,
Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah, so it's pretty good. Yeah. So I didn't win anything, I didn't lose anything, so that's perfect.
Sasha, sorry, if the 30-minute close is engulfing, can we take a sell or is it still early?
On that one, on GJ, you talking?
Yeah.
I would definitely wait. You know.
Wait,
Yeah, I would definitely wait. Because I think price needs to go higher if it wants to come down. To be honest. Or maybe something new is gonna happen and it's gonna just melt. That's something possible also. Because I know they're supposed to release some vaccine news. So. Alright, let's talk about this. Alright, let's go back to GA. Alright, so this weekly, donc si on regarde la chandelle de la semaine, on a respecté le haut précédent, là présentement on descend. Si on brise le bas précédent, on devrait continuer vers le bas. Mais jusqu'à date, si on regarde GA, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? C'est qu'on va vers le haut, on va vers le bas, ça, et prochain step devrait être ça, right? So if you look at GA, basically we went up, came down, came up, came down, came up, and now we should form support here to continue up, right? So that's something to keep in mind. Daily we're trending up on GA. Look like, oh man, what a huge rejection here on that daily candle. Phew, sheesh. Now broke previous low, so looks like this daily candle should continue down. Yeah, and I mean, if we're breaking the support here, that daily support, and we close under, we might go visit this support right here on this GA trade. But if this candle retrace up and form support here, because this is a doji candle, so for me it's like if this candle wasn't there, right? It's like a kind of write-off candle. Donc si on regarde sur le chart journalier, donc on regarde la chandelle présentement a brisé le bas précédent. Si on brise le support qui est ici à notre gauche, I'm just trying to see if I can give this trade a second chance. Yeah, no. Qu'est-ce que je disais? Donc oui, c'est ça. Donc si on brise le support à notre gauche, puis qu'on ferme comme ça, on devrait être bon pour continuer jusqu'au prochain support qui devrait être ici sur le chart journalier. Looking at 4 hours, let's start to do our zone. We're gonna get the zone right here. And this is H4 resistance. Alright, we have also this support, like I said. Alright, we have this zone also. And we have this here. Donc si on regarde sur le chart du 4 heures, voici nos zones, donc nos supports, nos résistances les plus proches. Now let's take a look at H1. Let's adjust our zone. Alright. And alright, we have an H1 zone here. Alright, I think that makes sense now. This was a nice, actually the zone is right here. Yeah, this was a fake out here. And yeah. Actually, hold on. Yeah, that's good. Excellent. Alright, so now we need to, for GA, we need price to come down under that support, you know, have a break and retest, or dogtail setup under this 900 right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Price made a new low. We need to retest that low. I think on H1, if this candle form resistance, it can be a great trade to come down, but it's going to be a tight range. So for me, it's not going to be a possible entry. Because I mean, there's not even 10 pips, you know, so that doesn't make sense. So that's why I will wait for price to come down under this zone. Let's take a look at GJ. Looks like I want to give this trade a second chance. Man, I don't know.
Would you take out the break to the high?
Yeah, but it's too early for impulse entries.
Yeah.
That's why it pissed me off. Man, it's coming straight to my TP. Look at this. Look at this. It's gonna go, man. So if you guys hold and did secure, I think you're gonna get to your partial TP. Yeah. Let's take a look at H1. H1. Yeah, H1. Actually, H1 just closed. Nice bullish candle. Yeah. Yeah, I'll wait. I had a little bit of FOMO start to kick in.
Sasha, it's one of these trades that kick you out and then continue moving to your direction, right?
Yeah, exactly. So you know what? It's good. It's good. It's something to journal, right? So, yeah. All right. It is what it is. Have a good session. Okay. Da-da-da. It's easier for me to trade in all black because there's nothing there confusing me. I can see zone trend easier, and I'm no colorblind. Oh, yeah, I was just joking, Alex. Nice. Actually, nice. I know there's another guy. I think his name is Forex. He's actually trade all in black also. Paul, Sasha, which QP indicator is that on TradingView, please? Oh, there's no. I don't know if there's an indicator. I just place my line manually.
Yes, there is an indicator, but I don't like it.
Yeah, same.
Oh yeah.
I don't like it. Yeah.
Puts some short lines near the price, but it's not useful.
Okay. I see. Man. All right. Morning, Mark. The stash.
Yeah. I'm here bright and early this morning. Market is good.
Yeah. You missed out.
No, I was watching in my bed.
Oh, Mr. Miller is on YouTube. Don't forget to give a like to the stream, Mr. Miller. All right, let's put this smash button. There we go. Smash that like button, guys. Let me move this. Oops. God damn.
Serge, t'ai fait mon analyse sur GG.
Oh man, look at this thing. Oh, I feel like crying. Oh well, it is what it is. All right, let's see here. Sir, please analyze gold. Sir, please send a chart. Send a chart on gold, and we're gonna analyze gold. Does any of your students use FTMO? No. Why someone would want to use FTMO when funding talent is as much better percentage split and lower goal targets, so yeah, I don't want my students to throw money in the air just for fun, so no, I think funding talent has something more interesting.
Sasha, can you explain this thing with brokers? I didn't get it yesterday. So they have different brokers for challenge, and then you can take black bull market, right?
Yeah, when you take the demo account, basically you need to change. You need to select a broker. They have a list of broker. You choose one, and once you reach the live account, you're gonna be moved with black bull market. Because all their funds are managed on the black bull market broker.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which one is has the best spread for GJ?
Well, right now the one I found was and I don't like that broker because I used it before for my personal account, and it was ugh. But the spread was not so bad. Actually, right now, if I look, it's KOT. KOT has a 0.8 as we speak. And if I look with Black Bull, I'm at 0.8 also. So it's the same kind of, right now that's 1.1 and 0.9 or 1 on Black Bull. So it's almost really close. It's kind of close to Black Bull actually. It's a little bit more expensive than Black Bull right now. Right now it's at 1 pip and Black Bull's still at 0.8. So it's around the same area. So but when I look at the other one, they were like Hugo's Way was way too expensive. And S-Nex was like terrible. FX Choice was terrible. So yeah.
Hi, good morning. This is Jacob. So I have a question. So from Foreign Talent, if you go live and you're in the US, will they still let you use Black Bull? Because Black Bull doesn't operate in the US.
Yeah, it doesn't matter because it's funding talent that's gonna create the account and they're in Canada.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
so they're creating the account for you.
Okay.
Yeah. And this thing just hit full TP.
Nice.
God damn it!
Next day, Sasha. Next day.
So the idea was great. The idea was great. Just this wick, he wicked down. To be honest, it was the first time since I'm trading that I felt like moving my stop because my stop was at break even. I felt like moving like 2 or 3 pips down lower. I said, no, Sasha, don't do. You never did that yet. It's not today you're gonna start. So if it takes me out, it takes me out. Fuck it. I'm not gonna break that basic rule of not moving a stop loss, right? So yeah. All right. So yeah, I guess I'll consider that as a win. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Let's see here. We have some question on TradingView. Okay. C'est gentil ça, Monsieur Miller. Je me rappelle pas de quoi on parlait, mais bon. What is exactly funding talent? Don't they have crazy rules? No, simple rules. You can look on their website. I have a link in my description also, or I also did videos about that on my channel. Morning, Sasha. The main reason of the buy is because 30-minute close bullish along QP. Any other confluence you added to the buy? Thank you. Imran, yes, you can look at, if you rewind the stream from the beginning, I explained it like maybe 20 minutes ago. So if you rewind on YouTube, you'll be able to see it. But it was based basically on the daily fib that right now we are trying to form support on that daily fib in the golden zone. Guys, on my broker, they write 0.03 spread. How much is it? 3 pips? 0.030? I have no clue, man. That's weird.
No, it's almost zero. My broker is the same.
Oh yeah? Wow, that is no spread at all. That's crazy.
Sometimes they give zero spread for GJ.
What?
I don't know why zero spread. Can you imagine that?
Ouais, t'as zéro spread, mais tu payes genre 12 piastres de...
How much commission?
$7 per lot.
What? That's
Wow.
pretty insane.
That's crazy.
It's a lot, yeah.
No, that's actually not bad. It's not bad at all. KOT is $7. Black Bull, I think it's 6. But yeah, so
Yeah, this broker is popular in Russia and in Asia. I don't know, and I like that they withdraw in 60 seconds. So let's say I withdraw $500 in 60 seconds. I have my money on the card. So yeah, it's pretty much.
wow, that's crazy. With Funding Town, can you get payouts paid to a business account? No clue. That's a good question to ask them. I never tried that. Pas grave, Sash. On focus sur le prochain trade. That's it. Ouais, ça t'as raison, Phil. Don't worry, Sasha. There's always move to add. You showed great discipline. Yeah, that's it, man. There's gonna be another one. But here's a proof, though, that that thing works, like, based on that 15 pips. Because I actually got taken down by, actually, wait a second.
Dans le fond, là.
Wait a second.
Encore dedans, puis tu le sais pas.
Wait a second. So that entry was 476, right? Oh, it's because of the spread. Yeah, the spread. That's why. Oh yeah, it was right here.
Yeah. Tu sais, c'est quasiment impossible de rentrer au close, surtout qu'elle a pas de downwick.
Yeah, no, that's it. Because I tried to enter right at the opening of the candle, but it was pushing hard, so it was already maybe a pip or two up, and I click and the spread. So basically, I think that made sense though. I'm pretty happy because if I had that trade right here, like at the real opening of the candle, but it was pushing so hard, there was no bottom wick, right? So I was actually waiting to maybe have a 1 or 2 pip down, and unfortunately it was pushing up pretty quickly, so I was like, alright, fuck it. I took an entry, and it was a late entry, but if it was right at the opening, my plan would have worked with that 15 pips. So so actually, yeah, that's actually pretty good, because this is only the second time for the past 2 weeks that when my trades hit 11 pips, that I got stopped at break even after.
Yeah.
So usually I almost get 15 pips. So yeah, that's good. Now I'm happy I saw that, because actually it didn't came to right here, which was supposed to be my entry, right? Yeah, pretty good. Excellent. All right, let's move on to the next.
Tu donnes le short GG si on forme résistance dans le golden zone à 7,50?
Ouais, absolument. So, ben, parce que qu'est-ce qui arrive, c'est que c'est juste ça qui me dérange un peu, là. C'est ça ici.
Ouais, c'est l'effet qu'on est bullish en daily pis tout, mais.
Puis qu'on
ça
est.
prend tellement plus de temps à mouver en 4 heures. Puis en
Oh, ouais, non, ça c'est sûr. Yeah, we're in that daily golden zone, but we need a support form. So that means that's only tomorrow where we're gonna be able to see a support form. Or yeah, H4. Yes. Like if this H4 candle closed bullish, we might continue up. But on lower time frame, if we come up like around like 750 and form resistance there, I think it can be a great trade idea to short it, you know?
Yeah, for like 40 pips.
Yeah. So yep, definitely. That would be the plan. Oh. Oh, by the way, hold on, wait a second. Before I forget, I need to send my crypto wallet to someone. And yes, I don't know why, but I'm receiving a lot of question about if people can pay the course in Bitcoin. The answer is yes. So let's just me send that wallet to that guy. Because I know myself, I'm gonna forget. Add found Bitcoin. Here we go. Copy. Let's paste that right here. Boom. There we go. So this is yen. All right, so Yan, I don't know if you're watching, but it's sent. All right, so 250 people and 78 likes. Come on. Come on. Don't forget to give a like to the stream, guys. This is the only thing I ask. I'm not asking for a lot, right? It takes you like 2 seconds to do.
Ah, faut demander une résistance sur Gigi aussi, on veut ça, c'est important.
Très important. Morning session, the main reason. Okay, I think we explained that. Don't worry, Sasha. Yeah, all right, Bill. Thank you. Could you take a look at this chart? Gold. Yes, sure. Here we go. We got a chart on gold. Quelqu'un qui a une carnet chez eux.
Ouais, je sais, c'est moi, man.
Mais dis, ça peut pas être d'autre chose qu'un Québécois là, qui a une carnet chez eux. Là. Quack, 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 quack. What the hell is going on here? Wait a second. Where is that link? Oh, that's why I'm missing the backslashes. Alright. So, this is gold. Okay, nice. But what's your plan?
Il y en a pas vraiment là. Je vais faire ce que ça me tente.
Alright, so who was that? This is Breno. So Breno, when you send a chart like this, it's great. You got your zone. Okay, perfect. But I need a label, something that says, okay, I'm waiting for this, I'm looking for that. You know, try to put some more information. Because right now, I mean, the only thing I can say is your zone seems to be correct. I mean, you got your resistant data support there and that. So everything is good there, but I need your plan. We need to take a look at your plan, see if it makes sense or not. So maybe just go back on your chart and put some labeling and send it back. And I'm going to take a look at it. So nature, lover, entertainment, gold, sir. I mean, nature, lover, chart, sir. So again, guys, don't say, look at this, look at that. Send your chart. So nature, gold, nature, lover, you said gold, 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 gold 5 times, 6 times, but you didn't send a chart. So send your chart first, and after that, we're going to take a look at it. I mean, it cannot be that easy, guys. Come on, you got to put some work into it. You know, and this is the best way to learn. This is not a signal room, right? So, do you guys want to learn or not? And the best way to learn is send your chart. Loving the channel, Paul. Loving the channel. You got a like from me. Thanks for being so clear with everything. Oh, thank you very much, Paul. Very appreciate. I heard you meant that the 5-minute candle always fake out. Is that true? I never said that. I said that the 5-minute candle is a super weak confirmation time frame. I don't know about fake outs, but it's a super weak confirmation time frame. Yan Lee, thank you, Sasha. Can't wait to join your course. Oh, Yan, you were watching. All right, great, awesome. So yeah, the info is sent. Let me know when you do the transfer, and I will add you manually to the course. When you send me the screen capture of the transfer, send me your email so I can create your account and your full name, please. Sir, I'm a new trader and I want to learn. All right, man. So Sonam, the best way to learn, to get started to trade is really simple. You need to go on this website here. There we go, right here. So you go on babypips.com and you go on education, how to trade Forex, right here. So, and you're gonna get all the basics. This website, I'm telling you, pretty much like 90% of the successful trader actually start from there. Because this is the basics, right? And man, trust me, you don't want to get into one of those MLM company that's gonna sell you that free stuff, you know, because most of them are gonna charge you like $200 per month, and all the info you're gonna get on their platform, most of them is this available on this website right here. So on my side, I have a course, but in the course I said I always tell people that you need to read the kindergarten chapter, and where's the other one? This one here, preschool and kindergarten at least. You know, that's gonna give you a good basic, and you can go to elementary also to understand support resistance. So I think the first three chapter really is pretty good. You know, so the first three chapters pretty good. After that, I mean, this is I went through this, but this is bullshit. This is horrible. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's way different. Now I'm starting to learn. Look at this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, baby. GG a close doji, par exemple.
So yeah, I'm going through this right now, and the only reason is because I have a coach for crypto, and that's the strategy he's using. So I'm just trying to go through it, but so far I'm not super impressed. I'm not impressed about the guy. The guy's pretty good. It's me. I find it very complicated. You know, just like I like stuff to be simple because I'm not smart. So I like dumb stuff. You know.
And Elliott waves is very hard to
Yeah,
study.
it's quite something. But I see the entry he's getting, man. He's good at it. So, you know what? I'm gonna keep studying it, and we'll see. But so far, I'm not convinced. Um, and this is, you know, I don't know, maybe this here. But yeah, I think the first three chapters good. And after that, you need to find someone that clicks with you, that can coach you and mentor you, and that's it, man. So that's the best way to get started. Don't put any money on the market. That is my best advice to you. Don't open any live account before you decided to invest in yourself. So you need to invest in yourself first, and after that you put money in the market. But there's way too many people that think they can learn that by themselves. Yes, there's tons of free stuff on YouTube, and which is great. It is perfect. But it's like trying to learn ski. You know, try to learn ski with a video on YouTube. Good luck. It's gonna hurt, man. I'm telling you. You're gonna hurt yourself pretty bad. A tree come fast in your face, man. Yeah. So yeah. So same thing trading, man. I mean, you can learn a lot of stuff, but if you're trying to learn by yourself, it can hurt, man. It can hurt pretty bad. Bon matin, Michael. Bon matin, bon matin. Donc, ce que je disais, s'il y en a qui commencent ici le trading, ce que je disais, c'est il y a plein de choses disponibles gratuitement sur le web pour démarrer. Donc, c'est ce que je vous conseille. Il y a le site babypips.com qu'on regardait. Ça vaut pas la peine d'aller investir avec des compagnies qui vont vous charger 250$ par mois ou 200$ par mois, peu importe le montant, pour apprendre des choses qui sont gratuites sur le web présentement. Donc, je pense pas que c'est quelque chose qui vaut la peine, pour être honnête. Après ça, la deuxième étape, c'est de trouver un mentor, quelqu'un qui peut vous aider, que ça clique avec vous. Parce que d'apprendre seul, c'est pas facile. C'est vraiment pas facile. L'exemple que je donnais, c'est comme aller apprendre à faire du ski en écoutant des vidéos sur YouTube. Ça peut faire mal. Ça peut faire très très mal. Un arbre, ça arrive vite dans votre face. C'est la même chose. Un stop loss, ça arrive vite dans votre face aussi. Donc, même chose. Hey, Das, internet issue, so unable to send the chart for London session. Oh, no problem. I'll take a look at the Discord later on.
Sasha J looks very good.
GA? Oh, let's take
Yeah,
a look.
if you break this support, we have clean room down. Yeah, this one.
That's pretty nice. Let's take a look at something here.
Yeah, this one or
below the last support, it's pretty clean to go down.
Yes, we need to break this support.
Yeah,
at
if we
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
And then straight to 75,500.
Yeah, that would be nice. I want to break and retest here, so
Yeah, of course.
so I want something like this.
Because it's only 6:30 also, so
Yes.
we have a lot of time left.
Yeah.
So that's something we'll be looking at if we break this. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh,
But GG is forming good.
yeah, GG look like we might come
Slowing
down
down a
also.
bit. In 30 minutes we close Doji, touching the golden zone. So yeah.
Yeah, let's take a look at this here.
Ideal setup would be this current 30 minute if it could close under 500 to go down.
Yeah. Watching the same.
Let's wait.
Because on 4-hour time frame, we broke this support. Now we are retracement and can continue moving down to the next support, which
Yep.
is 150.
Yeah, because if we look on the 4-hour, there's like big red candle and small bullish ones. So we are clearly bearish now.
Oh yeah, now since we broke this here,
Yeah, exactly.
yeah, we have a change of direction. So now we're looking on small time frame. We're definitely looking at bearish, but the only thing we gotta keep in
Yeah,
mind
that's the
is
daily
the
time
daily. You know, we gotta keep this in mind because we are definitely bearish here for the past 3 days, but on the bigger picture, we are still bullish, right? So we're coming down, maybe making that support to retest, but it takes more time on the daily for this to happen, right? So that's why on the lower time frame, it might be good to continue down a little bit, but I'm still bullish in the back of my mind on the higher time frame, right? So
Yeah.
so this is textbook, man. This is, I like
But
this. When I
we
see
gotta
this,
trade
boom,
what
boom.
we see and not what we think.
Exactly. And right now, what I see is this daily is bearish, and because we broke the previous low, we respected previous high, so technically today, I mean, should be bearish. The only reason why I took that buy earlier, it was like, let's see if this thing start to push. Maybe it can be a great swing trade, and I have an very early entry, and that's why I decided to try it, give it a try, maybe for a swing attempt, and yeah.
Swing your freedom, mate.
Yeah, you see, that's what happened with my swing trade. Never super successful on swing trading. I did some pretty good ones earlier, but I don't know. I have a hard time holding.
Yeah.
I want my money. Give me my money, bitch. Alright, 300 people, and we are just over 100 likes. So let me put back that smash button like, because we need to get to 200 like in no time. Let's try to see that. How fast can we get to 200 likes? Because we are at 113 now. So we're at 113. Let's see how fast we can hit that 200 likes. Let's see it. I'm just curious. Okay, what time is it now? It's what time is it? 38. Okay, so let's see how fast we can hit 200 likes. Let's see here. No, I did learn all things just watching YouTube. Yeah, no, you can learn a lot of stuff watching YouTube. Yeah, you can definitely learn a lot of stuff watching YouTube.
YouTube University.
Yeah, no, you can watch. I'm saying, yeah, you can learn a lot. But if you want to go to the next level, that's a different thing. For me, I went to the next level when I found the right coach that I was able to ask question and get answer. For me, that was Raja. And Raja was able to answer my questions, and all the other mentors I had, most of them didn't answer any questions. and I was playing like 1,000 US, 2,000 US. It was just like retarded, you know. So, so yeah, it really helps. It's like trying to, and I always give the same example. It's like trying to win a gold medals at the Olympics and say I'm gonna hire a coach when I get the medal, but I'm telling you, not gonna get the medal if you don't have a coach. It's impossible. It's just like I don't know any athletes that won a gold medal at the Olympics that doesn't have a coach, right? So put it this way, it's the same kind of thing. Same kind of thing. You need your coach to put you in the right mindset, you know, put your coach to help you and, you know, doing a plan and, you know, so yeah. Hey Sasha, are you doing a top-down analysis? Oh yeah, already did it. Yeah, Brendan. If you go back on the stream, rewind it to the beginning. I did the top-down analysis. What do you think of this trade, bro? Mr. B. All right, let's take a look at that. Mr. B. Like this. Mr. B. So price broke support. What is that? GA 15 minutes. Okay, price broke support. Enter when this candle broke pre-candle low. Hold on, when is that?
C'est genre le move là, mais en M15, ouais, c'est ça.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was super risky, to be honest. Yeah, that was super duper risky. And it's great. It worked your way, so that's perfect. Good job on that. But keep in mind that this is super risky. Most of the time, you got to be careful, you know, because I mean, look at this. So this basically is a, what do you call that? Dog shit, you know. So this is a range, right? And you'll see like many times when you're in a range, look at this. You were in a range here, price came down, fake out, come back up, you know, and now we're breaking. So it might be a second fake out, who knows? But there's many fake outs when you're coming out of consolidation. That's number one. Number two, you're just beside this major QP. And this major QP is a sign of reversal. I mean, many times, you know. So it's going to be hard to break that major QP most of the time. So it can come down and start rejecting. It's great. Like I said, you secure profit. It's awesome. But keep in mind, this is risky, you know. This is super risky. Michael, David, what's up, man? What do you think of this trade? Okay. Hey, can you please check my idea? Yes. Sure. Man, 153 likes. Man, it takes longer than what I thought. I thought we were getting like in 5 minutes. I thought YouTube was on fire. I thought YouTube appreciate the fact that I'm gonna be streaming until the 15th till Raj is back, but I don't see any appreciation here. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do it next week. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, let's take a look at this chart here. Because normally I only stream Tuesday and Thursdays. Alright, let's take a look at this. This is GJ 1 hour. Alright, price coming down on H4 time frame, bearish candle open on 1 hour time frame. We'll look for entry on 30-minute time frame. Once candle close below 150, 180. Target is 149.540. Runner target 148.700. Stop. Man, this is pretty precise. That's pretty good, man. Let me check here. So you said entry. Look for entry on 30-minute time frame. Let's candle close below 180. All right, let's take a look at this. Below 180, below 180, below 180. Kind of right here. Yeah, that's something possible. It's gonna be safer trade, but if you go below here, depends on the timing. You know, if it's NY open, NYC open, yes. You know, impulse entry on breaking that low can make sense. It's before that I would wait for break and retest. You know, or you can get a resistance form around here and sell it. You know. So that's the other option also. But this is a pretty good plan, Titan. So do we have almost, like, I think we're missing a couple people on the Zoom.
Yeah, il manquait Phil, mais là, il est là. Fait que, man, bring on the gulag.
Je suis là depuis genre 8 heures, les gars.
Ah ouais?
Depuis 8 heures, bro.
Depuis 8 heures. Il dit de la merde, pas à peu près.
Oh! Non, mais t'étais pas sur le YouTube?
Yeah, j'étais sur YouTube, mais j'étais sur Zoom après, mais parce que je
Ok.
mangeais.
Ah, ok, bon garçon.
Smart.
Alright, so I guess I'm gonna send that. Oops. Almost give the answer there.
Oh. Envoie quoi?
Les news.
Oh, yeah.
Il envoie le link du Zoom dans le Telegram chat.
Oh. Okay, and I'm gonna give it the
GG moving straight to the golden zone. FX Dog Academy.
Alright.
Oh no, GG, don't do this.
Yeah, that's
On
perfect.
avait fait un doji, fait que c'était clair, c'était un write-off pour aller plus haut.
Non, il va là, c'est 50.
This is perfect. Want to see resistance?
Encore plus de place.
Yeah, if we can form resistance around 750, that'd be perfect.
Give me more space, I want 50 pips.
Alright, so now let's take a look here. Polaris. Alright. So before jumping on the Zoom, if you're coming from YouTube, man, make sure you give a like to the stream because you're not allowed on Zoom if you didn't give a like to the stream. Learning everyday, brother. Alright, that's good, Michael. Good job, man. I'm enjoying your lecture, guys. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome.
Oh, 36 people. Welcome, everyone.
Welcome. Alright, so let's see here. Sell if this candle breaks previous low, kind of risky, but possible. Yeah, no, I want to see a resistance form. You know, impulse entry at this time is way too risky for me. Bunch of retards on Instagram trading with demo and posting fake result. Yeah, bunch of those, trust me. Okay, thank you. I'll check the start. Okay, perfect. Wow, gold flying. Awesome. We still didn't receive a decent chart on gold, so that's why I didn't take a look at gold yet. Learning everyday, brother. Okay, that's Michael. Line up the stream, people. It's the least. Man, we are at 178, and that is 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago to get like 80 likes. So can we get to 200? Just hit the like button. This is free and we should be paying for it. Don't understand you people. Yeah, thank you, Minnie. Someone says Gulaggers will like it twice if they get a gold win. Karen, hey Karen, what's up? We appreciate you. Oh, thank you. Where's the Lambo? Where's the Gulag? Blah blah blah. Hey Sasha, this is my idea for GJ. What do you think? All right, let's take a look at this.
No Lambo here, just RVs.
Yeah, no Lambos, RVs. All right. GJ, buy after candle close above 150,600. Yeah, I think if we can have a break and retest, that can make sense. Sell after candle close below 150,440. Yeah, because this is on a 15-minute that you're looking at this, but if you look on the 30-minute, I mean, you want to make sure you go up, because if you do this, okay, you can get a sell a little higher, like right around here, you know, around the 750 area. That would be actually the best spot. But I think if we form a nice resistance, let's say that if we form resistance here and a candle close under that 500 QP, I think that this is also a good signal for sells. Yeah. And if you look at 1 hour, I mean, this is much cleaner, right? So that's why I don't like the 15-minute. It's too noisy. Hey Sasha, good afternoon. Please look at my chart. Thanks in advance. All right. Copy. So for people who missed the Forex talk over beer yesterday, you want to check that episode from yesterday. I did 3 special announcements. Actually, one of the announcements is actually playing out as we speak. And as also have 2 other announcements that you want to check. Bearish, W bearish, D weak bearish. What? Bearish. Oh, time frame, weekly, daily. Still early, man. Sorry. All right, so perfect. All right, buy after break and retest of this area. Also break of daily high made today. Clean traffic to the left hand side. Yes, that I totally agree. Sell after break and retest of this major 4-hour support. Absolutely. Yeah, that makes sense, man. That makes sense, buddy. That makes sense. All right, we're getting close to that 200 likes. 189. Does the funding talent live account have the same specification with max DD as the challenge account? Does the funding live account? Oh no, it's a little different. And the leverage is different also. If you check on their website, you'll see all the specification about it. I'm waiting to resistance form in GJ. Yeah. Théo, salut Sacha, que penses-tu de ça? J'aimerais vendre en dessous de 150-430, mais une zone me dérange sur GJ. Ok, on va aller voir ça. Allons voir. Oops. What did I do? Hello. What's up? Okay, so I'm missing this here. Okay, so all right. This is coming from. Je vais retourner à ton trade, Théo. Ton chart ne marchait pas, mais je vais l'arranger. Je sais pourquoi ça ne marchait pas, je crois. Alright, so looking left. This is the last week before very clean traffic, and this is gold. Here we go. We got a gold chart. Waiting for some kind of pullback and support. This is a 30-minute. We'll enter on the break of the highest wick. I don't know about that. Oh, what's up, Zane? Zane, it's been a long time. What's up, buddy?
How are you?
Good, man. Good to see you.
Zane, what's up, man? You're in trouble.
Alright, take a look at gold here. Alright, so let's take a look at gold very quickly, and I'll go back to Theo's chart. Alright. Let's see. We spoke about that yesterday. We have this nice boom, 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 and boom, double bottom here. So yeah, we need to, if we break this neckline here, yeah, this thing is going to the roof. Yeah, this neckline. 4 hours. Let's see. Actually, let's put a line here, or zone actually. All right, so. Put a zone here. All right. Yeah, I'm not gonna put this zone smaller, and the only reason I want to make sure I clear this zone. And let's put this here.
Flashback, did you get in any GJ buys?
Yeah, I got a GJ buy. Yeah.
Looking at that part, it didn't give me the week down. Oh man.
Yeah, it actually went to 12.2 pips, and after that it went to break even.
Oh, look that, and then you did that thing where it's like 11
Yeah.
pips, you got it all to break even anyway.
Yeah, exactly. Because now I secure at 15, right? Put my stop at break even at 11 pips, and I secure profits at 15. Yeah, so for gold right now, I mean, there's two things I'm looking at. A more risky entry can be support form in that golden zone based on that 5 minutes. And that's the only pair I look at 5 and 15 minutes, right? Because gold moves so fast. So that's going to be a more risky entry if support form right around here. And a safer entry is going to be, yeah, if we can get like something to close above this blue zone. Maybe breaking that wick can be also pretty good. The 15-minute, yeah, I think if we can get a break and retest, of course that's gonna be better. But most of the time, gold will not give you that break and retest. It will just like shoot up. But the other thing I'm also looking, we might also see. This is early to say, but that's another option also. So, but this is not valid yet. So. So yeah, I think so. That's my that's my thought on gold. What do you say, Phil?
I was saying check GJ because we're 2 minutes away from closing, and if we close lower below the QP, this is a.
Si on close en bas, je mets 2%. Si on close en haut, je mets 1%.
Yeah, it closed in what, 2 minutes? Yeah.
Yeah, a minute 30 seconds.
Yeah, so if it closed under that 500 QP, I think that can be pretty nice. With a pretty nice rejection to the top side.
No, je suis va close bearish.
Yeah, if it goes below 500. Come on. Do it.
So we'll see. But now je vais regarder le chart à Théo aussi. Je pense que j'ai.
Il reste 45 secondes, Satch. Après ça, faudrait que tu trigger.
Merci. Je vais juste le préparer.
être beau, ça va être beau.
Faut closer avec une wick, par exemple, esti.
Ah, il y en a, il y en a, il y en a.
Yeah. Oh man, it's closing above.
Ah, yeah. Fix, buddy.
Ça va bien, Sacha?
Hey, ça va très bien.
Good.
Très très bien. Yeah, so if we close above, for me it's a no-go.
No go.
It's a no-go for me. But it can work, but for me, I'm gonna stick with my rules, and if I miss that trade, I miss it.
That's a bummer.
Yeah. If it would have closed like kind of right here, it would be amazing.
Hey, Sasha, you want to go back to gold real quick?
Sure. Give me one sec. Give me one sec. I just need to go. Ok, donc Théo, renvoie-moi ton chart parce que je sais pas pourquoi je l'essaie depuis tantôt, il fonctionne pas. La meilleure façon d'envoyer ton chart, c'est que tu vas ici sur TradingView. Tu vas à la fin, tu sélectionnes le backslash, donc la barre oblique, et toute cette partie-là ici. Ok? Donc toute cette partie-là ici, puis tu colles ça dans le chat. Let's go back to gold.
I just wanted to say, Sasha, I'm not really a big gold trader by any means, but I was listening to you guys, and if you go look at the hour time frame, it's a pretty solid clean structure up to 1751, and the new hourly candle is just going bullish right now.
Yeah. Yeah, no, definitely that makes sense. I think if we break this high,
It's 1751 on
Yeah.
the hour.
if we break this high, this thing should continue up for sure. Yeah, that would make sense, Michael.
Away, let's go.
Yeah, I think on this 15 minutes, if you have a support form, like in the next couple minutes, if you have your support form right sitting on that golden zone on that 5 minute, I think that should be good, man. That should be a pretty good signal. Plus, you're going to be closing above, this. So looking at this 5 minute, actually this 5 minute is going to close in 3 minutes. So on gold, if this 5 minute close like this, I think that would be make a lot of sense for price to continue up. Yeah, right in that golden zone. And fib retracement here, let's do this. So TP, yeah, easily get like 1748 here. This is gonna be first final TP here, based on that 5 minute. But I think, to be honest, target should be. Holy shit, we got a lot of room.
I got 1751.
Yeah, that's
on
it.
the hour, I don't know.
Yeah. Let's take a look at 15 minutes. Yeah, kind of right around here, I guess.
It's going good.
Yeah, right here. So that will be the target, that orange line. That would be the target. And this candle close in 2 minutes. So let's see. All right, let's see. Did I miss some chart here?
So can we go with GJ for a second on the 30 minute?
Sure. Oop. Someone just hit partial TP.
Oh.
I don't know. But that GJ sell is going pretty good.
Yeah, it just broke the low right now on the 30 minute.
Yeah, I took a
Nice.
small entry in that.
Took a small entry.
Yeah.
Very
1%.
nice.
Small tree as well, my friend.
That's it, Miller. Yes, sir, Miller.
Yes, sir, Miller, breaking the challenge rule. Yassine, what's up? What's up with your partner there?
I'm following my rules. I don't know about this guy.
Yeah, that's good. That's actually. Yeah, that's actually a good one. Actually.
Il en reste spécifiquement non, moi je m'en vais de là.
That's actually a good one, actually.
I think 1 hour is about to break the law as well.
Yeah, I also took an entry, by the way.
Ah, you bastard.
I cannot let you like lose by yourself. I gotta lose with you or win with you.
Yeah, exactly.
And where is the stop, guys?
5 pips.
And stop is above the previous wick.
Yeah.
So it's 11, 12 pips.
Yeah, the only reason why I actually took it is because the spread was not the spread, but the stop was pretty decent.
Yeah.
So.
But now we need to break the H1 low.
So this 5-minute candle.
And then we good.
Yeah.
Il n'y a pas personne qui a pris rien sur le gold?
Non, je trade pas gold.
Non, non plus. Je suis pas assez bon.
Moi non plus, mais it's going to the moon right now.
Yeah, no, I see it.
So this is my paper trade for gold.
I took one on demo. I'm a little bitch today.
That's fine.
That's okay. C'est mieux que rien. C'est la bonne pratique.
C'est mieux qu'il me claque la bisoune.
Yeah, gold scares me too.
No. I used to
H1
trade,
broke the low.
yeah. I used to trade gold on future contracts and it's minimum 1 lot, so I hear you. I've been
Ça va vite, ça descend vite.
Oh ouais, man.
Après les journées, j'avais pris 12 trades de 1 lot sur gold sur un trade de 1500, man. Yeah.
Le gars, il avait même moi en esti.
The worst part is I took 12 trades and il était même pas 8h30 du matin quand j'avais fini ma journée. C'était décevant, man. That was
good old times.
Yeah.
Come on, GG. Running 5 pips.
I'm at 4 now.
Nice.
Ooh, I'm running 7 pips. It's gonna be the second win of the week.
150, 3-3-1.
Yo, Sab, j'ai mis mon partial à 13 pips juste pour follow the trend un peu. Là.
Oh, okay. Stop is at
Je pense que le mien est à 11. Il est à 11 demi.
Parce que yo, on a du clean traffic
Tellement
en crise.
du clean traffic, exactement. Tellement du clean traffic, genre. Mais j'ai même mon auto-billet à 10, je pense.
Ouais, moi tout, j'ai un auto-billet à 10. Là, j'étais à 8, like.
T'es à 8 pips?
Here we
Oh,
go.
I'm about to hit it.
Chris, t'as rentré de bonne heure?
Lui, il est rentré à 500, là. Il est pas rentré au bird du
Ah, ok, t'es un petit crasseur.
Attends, m'a dit mon entry 511.
Ok, t'es un petit crasseur.
511.
Un petit
I'm at
crasseur.
487.
Un crasseur voyageux. Ça l'a touché ma ligne de break-even, mais le spread n'est pas traversé encore. Fait que...
Alright. Looking good. Let's take a look at that
Je veux juste
gold.
entendre le petit bruit, là.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Everybody loves it.
Yeah.
Je devrais enregistrer. We should record it, put it as a notification on our phone.
Ah,
Every time we get a
man.
Ling. TP hit. Oh, came back a little bit.
Guys, the idea of this trade is behind the golden zone, and once we start breaking this QP, you took the trade, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna retest that low.
Okay.
To remember, Powell is speaking today. Oh yeah, you're right.
At noon, so...
Yeah, at noon.
That's far.
Il y a du temps, là, encore du temps.
Ben oui. Pas dépressé, là.
Yes, gold do have QPs, Jonathan. I just didn't put it on my chart, but yes, you also have QPs on gold.
Gold works well well sur les niveaux genre psychologiques, genre 17,50, des affaires-là.
Do I always use hold on, wait a second. Do you always use fib to look for enter on GJ? No. Fib is only a tool. It's a hint in the market, you know. So I don't trade based on QPs, I don't trade based on fibs. I trade based on price action, and all the rest is hints. You know, they give me hint on the market on what's about to happen. Market patterns, you know, they are hints. I don't trade based on double top or double bottom.
Yeah, there you go.
So
You're about to hit market.
Yeah.
so yes.
9.7 pips.
Nice, man.
Come on.
Nice.
This trade was brought to you by Mark the Stash.
Mark the stash, baby.
Yes, that's my second win of the week. I hope to do a perfect week.
Hey, break even.
Let's go.
Ooh, do that.
There we go.
Break even and TP, baby. Partial TP.
Nice.
Alright, 12 pips.
Yes.
Well done, guys. Well done.
Alright, so again, we're giving free money to YouTube. Once again.
Nice, guys.
Yes, sir.
Oh, let the dogs out.
That's it. Let's do a video.
It's more.
Alright, so once again, live on YouTube. Auto break even just got hit, so most of the people secure profits at 11 pips. So we're getting free money on YouTube. So that is what you're missing out if you're not on YouTube right now. We're about to hit full TP. And we have like 350 people now. Let's join us and yeah, let's go. Trade with the pack, baby.
That was very, very nice.
Puis man, je me rappelle à 6 heures, j'ai dessiné des petites flèches rouges puis une boîte jaune sur ton chart, puis c'est exactement ça.
C'est vrai?
Yeah,
vrai. Très vrai.
Textbook, ça là.
Legit, là, je l'ai vu, puis je fais genre, on a pas pris l'entrée au début, puis je suis comme, man, si break le low, je sais qu'il est pas 8 heures, mais it's worth breaking the challenge rules.
Mais tu sais, en même temps, le H1 aussi nous a aidé parce qu'il était bearish.
Yeah. There's still better sells though below 250.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if it's like a dog.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be more sells. Yeah, you're right. After 250 for sure.
I wasn't risky to take this sell not in New York session. I mean, like 1 hour before New York open. So it was more risky, right?
Yes, definitely. That's why I only use 1% on that trade.
Yeah.
Okay.
The only thing though is, like we talked about it, like we're bearish, the daily candle's bearish, and the candles are so clean on the left too. Like to me, I can't not take a trade like this. It's one of my favorite setups so far.
So it's break and retest.
It's more like it made a new low, it went back up to form resistance, and now we're going back to the low.
Okay.
Yeah. This is one of my favorite setup.
If it would have been all the way back to golden zone, then that would have been
Okay.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite setup. When a new low is formed, wait for resistance to be formed. The only thing though is like here at hold on, wait a second, 30 minutes. So here we didn't have a great signal here on 30 minutes for resistance. This one was a small body candle. So let's recap this. So here was a doji. So this is a write-off candle, right? Next candle form and close bearish, forming resistance. But for me, it's too small of a candle for me to trade an entry on the opening of the next candle. It doesn't make sense, you know. So I need a second confirmation. Plus we stayed above that 500. Which one is this one again? This one was the 500 QP, right? We stayed above that 500 QP. So I need a better confirmation for myself. So once the wick was made to the top side and we broke the low, we kind of formed a dogtail setup. It's still really early for that kind of setup. Usually I don't take this kind of setup, but I really felt it this morning. So this is based on experience. I know that we're gonna retest that low. So once we broke the low, that's where I actually took my entry. So, and yeah. So, am I gonna be getting out at break even for twice in a row? Jesus.
Hey, pas de négativité de même ici.
I'm super close to my partial TP, man.
La seule négativité est dans mon compte de trading. Mais pas cette semaine.
Not this week, baby.
Ah, mais là, il n'y a plus de stress, là. Stop à break-even, partial TP hit.
Ouais, moi.
Le tien était à 13. Marc. Puis j'ai mis à 11, puis it went to 11. J'aurais pu mettre à 13, mais it went to 14 at some point.
Alright, 2.
Même à 15, on l'aurait frappé, là.
Yeah.
Ben, moi, je l'ai mis à 15. Ben, faut dire que je suis rentré un peu plus tard que toi, là. Je suis rentré à 15, puis il était allé à 12, tu comprends? Fait que. Fait que moi, il me manque une petite affaire, là. Moi, mon partial TP est set à 3-3-1 pour 15 pips.
Oh my god, il t'a manqué genre 2 pips.
Ouais. So I was short 2 pips for my PTP.
Il y a un chien hier, en ce moment, c'est juicy pour aller bien plus bas que 2,50.
Ouais.
On verra.
C'est fun d'avoir fini pour son truc, il vient pas se terminer ce matin.
Yeah, man.
I love
Ça me
that.
fait chier les entrées que je manque à 9h30, là, calique.
So for the first time in weeks, I'm gonna be able to close the stream early. But I still need to be in front of the chart around 9 a.m. because I'm gonna be trading that challenge account based only on that setup.
Oh my god, you got yourself a challenge account just for the...
Oh, dude, you gotta go watch Forex Talk over a beer, man.
Man!
À toutes les fois que t'es fait comme d'étudier, man, I have to study too, my friend, man.
L'étude, man. Oh, am I gonna get that partial DP? Oh, what's up?
Yeah, you're good. Yeah.
Oh, 13.
I'm running 17 pips, man.
Yeah,
Oh, here we go. Just hit 15 pips right now on with the spread, I guess. The spread hit it.
That's the sound of my people.
Here we go. 15 pips, baby.
Let's go.
Yo, ça c'est un juicy trade.
Alright, just got hit 15 pips here. So auto break even was set at 11 pips. And partial TP set at 15. We closed 80% of the trade. And we are doing that live on YouTube once again. Man, oh man. What a great morning. Alright, boys.
Oh shit, man.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Boop, boop.
Faut se mettre du petit beat d'ascenseur.
Hey, c'est vrai, we forgot about the music today. Hold on, wait a second.
No music, Sasha? What's going on?
Yeah, that's what he was saying. Where's my friend Baha? Baha, where are you?
Baha, what's up, man? Copyright free music.
Is Baha there today? No?
Oh, this one was okay. So this one.
Salle de hype jusque. Oh, running 20 pips.
At 17.4. 20 pips my second PTP.
Holy Jesus Christ.
Oh shit, let's go. Let's go. All right, let's set up that second partial TP here.
Yeah, I just did that too.
So that second partial TP is going to be set at 250. Actually, at 240 actually.
You don't need to trade gold. You have GJ that moves.
Yeah, fuck gold. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah, fuck gold. Gold can kiss my ass. Damn.
GG, ça va toujours rester notre cocotte.
Let me post that story.
Toujours. It's my cocotte.
Come on, GG.
T'es proche de 20, toi, là, tu faisais genre 19 pour quelque chose.
18.6, puis j'ai un partial à 22. Je l'ai mis juste pour réentendre le son encore, vu que j'en ai jamais assez.
Yeah.
Bling!
C'est addictive.
Morning, guys. I just woke up. I jumped in the computer and the trade was running.
Oh.
Gonna wake up earlier, mate.
And I jumped
Who's
in.
that?
So
Oh,
thank you
Hugo.
for the
Hugo.
trade. Thank you.
Oh, nice. Je mets mon stop à 1 pip profit parce que j'aime pas le rouge comme Sacha dit.
Ouais.
Hein, je l'ai mis à 2 pips profit.
Juste pour clear les commissions. Tente pas de perdre des 5 piastres pour le fun. Chris.
Ooh. That's always that sound, man.
The favorite sound for my
Second partial TP just hit.
Nice.
Did you set it up at? Oh, okay. I set it at 240.
Yeah, la mienne est à... Yeah, il est proche. C'est à 28, la mienne, elle est vraiment proche.
Aïe 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 les gars. Une calice de chandelle puis on a tout fait ça.
Wow.
Yo, c'est rare là. Mais non, lundi aussi c'était ça, mardi.
Ouais.
Ouais, mon dieu, c'est... Oh my god, it went to like... Yes, it went so close. C'est allé genre point 3, même ça. Moi j'aurais été pisse, j'aurais pas pris ce trade-là.
Aïe aïe aïe.
I would have been so mad at myself.
Yeah, thank you guys for helping me breaking my rule.
Teamwork, baby. Jeez.
All right. See, this is the power. This is the power of the pack, man.
Exactly.
We win as a pack, we lose as a pack, man. Fuck it. That's how we do, man. Is the music too loud?
No,
Oh, that's great.
What about YouTube? Is the sound is good on YouTube also? Hey Das, thank you, man. Das on YouTube. Das on YouTube, slapping people to give likes, man. 350 people and we've got 220 likes after 2 wins back to back. Come on, man. 2 wins back to back? Really? Come on, guys.
Les gens ils veulent quoi de plus, esti?
Come on, smash that like button, guys. Come on. Do it.
Oh, I actually do the deck of my London.
What do you say, Das?
I've sent you my charts. The trading London system.
Oh, you put it in the chat?
Gosh, it's only Tuesday and Thursday your stream.
usually.
Yes.
Usually.
Usually, I only stream Tuesday, Thursdays. I stream every day. I stream every day with students. But next week, I'm gonna be streaming until Raj is back.
Yeah.
Every day, Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
Awesome. It was good seeing you this morning, Sasha and friends. I'm gonna head on out and hope you guys have a great day.
Yeah, awesome, Michael. Take care of yourself, man.
Have a great day too, man.
Take care. Have a great day, man. All right, so this is the chart from Das. All right, all right. So trend bias for the day was bearish. Time frame candle, okay. Taking the entry after the M30 candle close, engulfing, and below mini support resistance. Rejection to us, taking entry on a low risk. Oh, right here you got spooked over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. I think it's safe to close 50% here. Yeah, I think that was well managed, Das. Yeah, that's perfect, man. Well managed. Well managed, Das. Very well managed.
Yeah, Jay was a beach today.
I'm going to send strength to the on GA as well.
Oh, let's take a look at GA. Oh, GA is coming down.
Down.
Yeah, it's at like 4 hour support right now.
And for people who doesn't know Zane was my partner in crime for GA at the beginning. Yeah. Yeah, right
Where
here.
it all started. Tabarnak, man.
All right, 19 pips now on that GJ. The runner is fucking running.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hi, Mustache. Hello from Cape Town, guys.
Oh, that's Karen.
Yeah.
That is Karen. Hold on, let me bring the camera. Hold on, wait a second. I want to see you.
Jeez.
Nice day, Mustache.
That's freaking awesome. Hold on, let me bring the camera on.
Yeah.
Let's get the party here. Can we get Karen? Did you have your camera open?
My 20 PTP.
I have a camera, but I'm not putting it on.
Oh, come on. We want to see you, Karen.
I'm running 23 pips. It don't stop.
Yeah, I'm 20 pips. Don't stop, won't stop. Alright, I need to do another post here.
Amazing, man.
Puis le plus fou, là, Sach, c'est que mon boy de Bullish Academy, lui, il est rentré en bail sur un swing, puis là, genre, je vais à l'envers de lui, puis ça fonctionne. Là.
Ben, c'est sûr, man.
Une petite tape dans le dos pour moi. Là.
Ben oui, man, ça fait du sens, là. You see, the buy earlier worked for like 12 pips, and now the sell's working, so awesome.
20.
Man, I'm super excited about I found a dog that dig a hole and jump in it when I have a bearish trend. So I'm so excited. Here we go. I'm such a kid.
Somebody can eat it, oh, it's fun.
Yeah, small things, right? Oh, Karen, we want to see you. All right, let me know when you put your camera on.
Vu matin.
Des vieux matins comme qu'on les aime, man. Charlotte à Hugo, man. T'es où, Hugo, Calice?
Ouais, you go, man.
Il vient partir.
Non, non, pas ce Hugo-là, non.
Il est là.
Non, 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 pas ce Hugo-là, un autre Hugo.
J'ai envoyé le link en plus, là, il va peut-être join.
Ah ouais?
Ouais.
Oh, Paul Harris just gave 5 euros. Thanks, bro. Oh.
Yes, c'est quasiment 50$ canadiens.
It's almost $50 Canadian. No, I'm joking. Thank you, Paul. Thanks, bro. Hoped in gold myself and took the GJ trade with you guys. Also small lots for now, but still wins. Have a great day, man. Very appreciate Paul. Thank you very much. Thank you. Paul is the man of the hour. And by the way, the money that comes from that, that will be given away. Because, by the way, the money that is sent on the super chat like this, it's considered as a revenue. So they actually, YouTube pays you for that money. I actually did some investigation on that, and I realized that they give me the money. So far, I didn't receive it. I should receive it next month, I think. So all the money that's going to be managed from the super chat, I'm going to be actually matching the same amount. And oh, second partial just got hit.
Nice, man.
So I'm going to match the money that's coming from the super chat, and I'm going to go give it away to SPA, SPCA, which is how do you call that? It's yeah, it's a rescue for animals. So I mean, we got to keep the concept, right? Trade with the pack. So I'm going to go give away that money for people that save dogs. So if you guys gives money in the super chat, you know that it's going through a good cause. So yeah.
So if we break this QP, next candle should continue moving down, right? Because of New York session and
Yeah. Prime time.
yeah, prime time.
Va qu'on ait une aussi grosse chandelle, man, à 7h et à 7h.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I'm feeling this thing's about like 50 pips.
That's pretty amazing, man.
I hope.
Yeah, 240 got hit. So pretty happy. Holy.
Holy Jesus.
Holy.
Yeah.
We're coming down, baby.
Down. Oh, Wego, il est là qui dit.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Oh!
Oh! Here we go!
Ok, oui, c'est vrai.
No!
Yes, sir, les boys.
No!
Ok, oui.
T'es-tu sérieux? Guess who's back? Back again. He
Go.
goes back.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit, c'est excitant, man.
Oh, hey, les boys, un beau petit take profit pour vous matin.
Ben ouais,
Ça
man.
va être 5 pips qui roulent, man.
Back to back, man. 12 pips tantôt, puis là, 20 pips, là.
Let's go, let's parle.
Man, this shit is getting to be fucking easy.
Yeah.
Okay, don't start.
No, I will take this back.
Stay humble.
I will take this back. Let me rephrase that, because this is very important for everyone watching. It's not getting easy, because nothing is easy in life, but it's getting simple. You know, it's getting so simple, because when you stick to a specific thing and you just repeat over and over and over again, it just makes it so simple. It's like anything. If you do sports, all right, if you practice any sport, let's take golf as an example, golf or baseball or whatever sports, okay? You're gonna hear your coach always talking about muscle memories. You know why? Because you're repeating the same move over and over and over again. I train my dogs doing fly ball. Fly ball is all based on muscle memories. So it's repetition of the 3 same moves that they practice all the time. So muscle memory. So training is kind of the same thing. So if you focus on the same 3 things over and over and over and over again, you're gonna master those shit, and man, it's gonna get so simple, you know, so simple that you're gonna see those market the right way. You're gonna understand the market. You're gonna see when it's a good move, when it's not a good move. But man, if you're trying to trade like 5 different pairs, 6 different pairs, trying to trade London, Asian, New York, and you try to trade all over the place, it doesn't make sense. If you take 10 trades a day, it doesn't make sense, you know? So if you focus with those small rules and that small concept, man, I'm telling you, you're gonna get there, man. Because I remember like a year and a half ago, I was talking to one of my friends, Jonathan, and he's also a trader that is on pause right now because he got a second kid coming the way, but on his way. But I was talking to Jonathan like maybe a year and a half ago, and I was like, man, I'm feeling it, man. I'm so close, man. I'm so goddamn close I'm just missing that little thing. And the thing that was missing was first was understanding more price action, but being more consistent, you know, doing the same thing over and over and over again. And man, when you do that, things get super clear now. So
Il a pas fait de top week, fait qu'il s'explique qu'il remonte un petit peu, qu'il aille faire son top week.
yeah, so now we're rejecting this area right on the dot right here. This support right here.
C'est le dernier stop avant le prochain extension.
Yeah, this yeah, and so far we don't have a top wick, so we might see price coming up, forming the top wick, and price coming down after. We'll see. What about 1 hour?
Good, cheeky.
So 1 hour is just like phew, sheesh.
Simon's still in gold.
Yeah, my paper trade.
Les gars,
Holy, look at this. Holy,
Topped out, guys. I was topped
Yeah,
out,
I'm
but
telling
now it's
you.
flying.
look at this gold trade about to hit. Oh, full TP on gold. So anyone that took that trade, guys, if you're still holding, let me put something special for you on YouTube. Hold on, wait a second. Where it is? All right, 3, 2, 1.
Ah, c'est la money stuff.
money rain.
All right, man.
Les gold, là,
Full TP it right on the freaking dot, man. Right on the freaking dot. Look at this. I can zoom it. Look at this. Full TP it. 29 pips.
Yo, Sach, cette semaine, là, tes codes sur gold, ça a tout été des wins encore, là.
Gold pour scalp, il était écœurant.
Ah, fuck, man.
Quand il brise
Holy
le son,
fuck, man.
Oh yeah.
En tout cas, sachant quand on te regarde, c'est vrai que ça a de l'air simple.
All right, live on YouTube again.
I think it's right down for you, bro, man.
We had two back-to-back win on GJ, and now that gold trade was called and just hit full TP here, full TP, and we're giving free money again on YouTube. What the hell? Let's go. Fuck. This is exciting.
Hey, Sasha.
Yes.
Good morning, Violet.
Good morning, man.
So, DJ 1 hour.
Yeah.
If it closes below the 250 QP, we could expect the dogtail setup, correct?
Well, yes, correct. Yes. So if this 1 hour closed back under that QP, what time is it now? 7:37. Yes. So we want to close at 8. We want to close at 8 under that. So the next candle, we wait for a wick up to retest that QP, form that tail, and once it breaks the low, this shit can melt. The only maybe trouble would be that major QP, but I think it should be pretty good.
Ah, 350.
Should be pretty good.
Same here.
I mean, because if you look at 4 hours, 4 hours super duper clean, you know. Actually, let me put this small zone here.
Come on, GJ.
Yeah.
Et tu vois, il remonte vers son top week.
Ouais. Il reste encore 21 minutes, fait que d'ici là, on a le temps de voir bien les affaires. Hey, 9 pips de stop pour 33 pips de TP, c'est pas peu partout.
C'est pas bête, ça.
Pas
C'est
bête.
un beau ratio, comme qu'on dit.
Ah.
Yeah.
God damn, boy. Let's fucking go.
Yo, en plus, on dirait que c'est toujours le jeudi qu'il y a des crises de trade parce que
Oh
c'est
yeah.
payé,
Le
là.
jeudi, là, c'est des
Les jours de paye.
Alright, this is coming from Sadio. Alright, Sadio, what's up, man? Sadio is on the Zoom with us. Coming from YouTube. Because, yes, I did hide a link to the Zoom chat somewhere. I give the hint in Forex Talk over a beer yesterday night for people who wanted to join the Zoom. And that's going to be valid also for tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to be hiding a Zoom link also somewhere. And
That's why so many people are at the Zoom today.
yes. That's an announcement I did on Forex Talk Over a Beer. And Friday, the other announcement I'm gonna do is Friday, I'm gonna draw 3 coupons of $100 USD for the course. So you just gotta show up on Forex Talk Over a Beer, and you might be eligible for that draw.
This guy is like Oprah. You get free stuff. You get free stuff. Everybody gets free stuff.
I like giving away stuff, dude.
It's like Oprah.
You know what? I don't like to discount my shit, so you will never see my course at discount price. But I like to give away some stuff, you know. A stop loss will be here, back in the range. Okay, partial close if after entry it flips bullish again. Sells as we break the low. Yes. This is what, 30 minute? Yeah, that would make sense. You got a resistance. Let me check something though on GA.
Yeah, it's kinda irrelevant now because it pushed bullish too much.
Yeah, you want to make sure you got a solid close under this zone though. So for GA, you want to make sure you got a solid close here, and the next candle you can use the dogtail setup.
Cheers. Thank you.
You're welcome. But right now, I mean, that's why you want to. That's why, guys, a lot of people get strapped trading those 15 minutes candle, you know, because they see a break here. They're like, all right, let me enter, and you're gonna get fake out. You know, it's gonna come back up in the range. So you want to wait for a solid close. Let me tell you, the amount of time I lost money trading those 15 minutes, and when it was breaking, like taking an impulse entry. No, man. It's just like now I wait for candle to close, or I use my dogtail setup, and that's it, you know? So.
Should we look at JJ real quick?
Sure.
On the 30 minute? Okay, so it's kind of created like a double bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Also, it's at a 4-hour support. Do you think buys could be valid, or still stick with the sell bias?
The thing is, I still have my idea in my mind, right? I really have a hard time getting that idea out of my head right now. I still have the idea that this thing's gonna come back up, right? It's based on that daily fib. So is that possible for price to go up after that double bottom? The answer is yes, because based on the higher time frame, it makes sense. But based on that daily right now, it's just like purely bearish, you know. So it's a tricky one, that buy. It's a tricky one. If I was taking that buy, I would want to make sure we break the neckline, and I will entering probably a low risk in the idea of swing trading it, you know, because on the short term, like for the rest of the day, I don't see, maybe not the rest of the day, but the next couple hours, I don't think that price will shoot back up at 151 before the end of let's say before London close. Okay, and after London close, market is super rangy. It's no volume, you know. So
basically, buy above the neckline.
Yeah, buy above the neckline if there's a good setup. Yeah, which is also the 500 QP. Yeah. But I think that price is gonna come play with that major QP, because you know in the course what I did is, you know, when I tell you that in the course when price comes down and break a major QP, most of the time price will retest that QP and it's gonna go visit the next major QP, right? So technically we should come visit that next major QP. Man, what an amazing morning once again.
Of course, man.
Oh, Das. Okay, bro, get some time for me. Sasha, will you be looking to add another entry? Okay, hold on. I missed some message here. Sorry, guys.
Did you say something to me?
No, it was you said give. Okay, bro, get some time for me.
Oh actually, I have some issue in Magic Keys, so I.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So he said that he will guide me. So yeah.
Okay, great. Sasha, will you be looking at to add another entry? Looks clean candle in the 4 hours. No, the only thing I'm going to be looking at right now is my challenge account for that NYSC dog setup. So I'll see. But right now I got 2 trades today. I got 2 wins back to back. Well, one was set up at break even, but it actually went to my 15 pips after. I definitely consider that as a win since I didn't lose money, right? And I got a pretty nice trade here on GJ. So yeah, I mean, and look at this, man, right on the dot, and now it's retracing down on gold. Pretty dope. Man, 255 likes. Can we get to 300? Can we get to 300?
Ta zone sur gold, c'est quoi ça achat?
Ma zone?
Yeah.
C'est en...
Ouais.
Celle-là ici? La grosse bleue, tu parles?
Orange.
Ah, ma ligne orange, c'était mon TP parce que on avait ici. Donc, ici, il y avait une... Si tu le regardes en 15 minutes, là. Attends un peu, je vais te le montrer. Ici. Je savais qu'il y avait une région à problème ici, là. C'était clean, candle jusque là. Puis si tu le regardes sur 5 minutes aussi, tu vas avoir la même idée. If I can find it. Oh, right here. Ici. C'est le bottom of that range.
Okay, really nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bienvenue. Fait que Hugo, man, il doit avoir bien des matins que les oreilles te sifflaient parce que Chris qu'on niaisait avec ça, man. Moi pis Marc était comme, man, you Hugo, man, il nous demande de faire des live streams pis il disparaît. Hey man, si tu savais là, le nombre de fois qu'on a collé ça. You Hugo!
Ben, je suis là. Never too late, tant qu'on dit.
Ouais, that's it.
Jamais trop tard.
Puis en plus, j'avais envoyé un screenshot à Marc, j'étais comme, man, you Hugo! C'est tout le temps le premier à liker mes posts pis le calice, il est pas là le matin.
Still following you, Sasha, for sure.
That's good, man.
Watching the show.
Awesome. Sasha, would you be looking... Okay, I answered that. Bye, Sasha. See you tomorrow, Francesco. Tomer, did we saw that? Oh, yeah, we saw that. Alright, let's take a look on... Yeah, Michael. Yeah, Michael, gold hit the full TP, man. Full TP hit here on gold, so that was pretty amazing. Ben oui, je l'ai callé hier.
Ben oui.
T'as manqué ça? Je l'ai callé hier et à matin. So basically on gold, I called that yesterday and this morning. If you look at gold, for people that don't believe in patterns, so basically if you look at that, I called this morning and yesterday. Yesterday I said we have a nice double bottom here on gold. So if we break this neckline, so that's why my blue zone was that right there. It's a daily zone. So I said if we broke this neckline, we're gonna shoot up, right? And we have huge clean traffic. So I mean, basic, you know, basic. Sometimes, man, basic stuff works amazing. So why trying to complicate shit? You know, just get back to basics. You'll hear that also at sports. Let's say you play a hockey, you know, your coach will always gonna say to you that, guys, get back to basic, shot on net. What happened with the Habs yesterday? What the fuck? This is exactly what happened with the Habs yesterday. First period, they sucked ass, you know. Second period, coach probably said, guys, just shot on that goaler. And that second period, man, I think we had like 20 shots, you know. So I mean, this is the same idea. I mean, don't try those fancy passes and those cute passes. Just put that puck on that net, you know? That's it. And you're going to create mistakes. From the other team, you're going to mark goals. So trading is the same thing. Get back to basics, do the basic stuff, and you'll get wins. You know, you'll get goals.
Just enter trade. Just shoot on the net. Enter trade.
Yeah, enter trade. Just 20 trades. Enter trade. No, I'm joking.
Check bien ça, tu vas avoir des DM demain que plein de monde qui ont.
Yo, we're trade. Oh man, it's great to be able to close the stream early so I can go train. I can go run. You know. I'm actually gonna train this morning and run tonight.
Yeah, I managed to go run yesterday.
I saw that.
Je pensais à tout le long de la run parce qu'il m'a couru à cause de lui.
C'est beau l'amour, man.
Moi Phil, man, c'est a love story, man.
Ouais, I'm getting back at it, là. La seule affaire que je cours après, c'est le trouble, esti.
Oh, Henry, Sasha, cut the same trade on gold. Just enter a little earlier. Oh, that's amazing. Let's see that. Oh, shit. Nice. Henry's eating. Yeah, Henry's eating good, man. Good job, bro. Fucking amazing. I agree with the sports analogy, but can we use Leafs instead of Habs not? Bill, don't get me started there. Don't get me started there. It was actually a pretty good game yesterday, to be honest. It was a pretty good game.
We gotta give it. Matthews is an elite player.
Fuck, man. Fucking Matthews, man. This guy's way too good, man. Marner, him and Marner together, they're so dangerous.
Il y a 28 buts.
Il y a 28 buts. Matthews en genre 36 games.
Ouais. No, Matthews is solid, man.
Bon ratio, ça, là.
Non, il est solide.
Il y a, à ma tête, je lis si j'ai devant moi, il y a 28 buts en 37 games.
No, he's solid as fuck, man. To be honest, him and Marner together, they're a beast. They're a beast.
Really good team.
You saw that wrap around, man? 50 seconds. 50 seconds, wrap around, boom, goal. I'm like, what the hell? Yeah, he's way too quick, man.
But he's no McDavid. Not even close.
Yeah, but still, you know.
McDavid is insane.
Yeah, McDavid's is retarded good, man.
4 points for one goal, 3 assists.
Was looking at GJ as well, but didn't enter because I have a rule to only have one position open. Don't open twice at the same time. Oh yeah, that's smart. I actually did that a couple times with GJ and GA, and it's kind of stressful.
It didn't work out.
It didn't work out super well, so. Hey Sasha, can you confirm if this is a dogtail setup from Rages? Let's take a look at this. Alright, is this...
C'est un goal century, genre.
Yeah, quand il fait une wake-up, là, tu mets ton poisson, wake-up, là, tu le prends sur le frog de l'eau.
Ok, je comprends.
Is this a dogtail setup? P.S. You're doing a great job, buddy. Oh, thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. So basically, wait for this candle to come down. So yeah, okay. So if you want this to be very effective, you want to make sure you enter right here on the break of that high, you know? So your entry should be a little lower right here. So you wait for that wick to form and take the entry on the break of the high. So you got a nice support form here, so I think that's pretty good. But to be honest, with this kind of setup, I need to check at GU. If GU is trending up, price comes up, come down, form support, push up. So I think this support is enough confirmation to continue up. But I didn't take a look at GU in details. But yeah, this is a pretty good setup. This is such a happy music.
Yeah.
Ryan, what's up, Ryan? Can you tell me what I missed on this one, Sasha? Sure, man. Let's take a look at this. Alright, so here. Oh, this is GU.
No wick, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And
It's kind of the same as the GJ setup, but I think that double bottom is probably what did it.
yeah. And how did you manage risk on that one? Did you close 50%
Yeah.
at the bullish close?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, that was the next question. Good question, Mark.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely that no wick here was a pretty good hint here.
And I would have put my stop just above that wick so
Yep.
you can manage risk a bit more also.
Yeah, and the other thing is, especially that you not expecting price to go above that QP, right?
Yeah.
So you want to keep that price under that QP. So it makes sense to put that stop just above that wick. Definitely, Mark, makes sense. So yeah, that would be the thing I would change. You're trending. Are you trending bearish?
Looks like it.
Yeah, look like.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah, reverse. That's a.
Oh.
It's similar to DJ.
Yeah.
And sometimes it happens. It's part of the game that even though it's a perfect setup, you can always be stopped out.
You got a shampoo pattern here.
The classic wasn't as clean though, I think. You know what we see it.
And oops.
You see how Sasha here is being made bullish, too bullish, not bearish, and like push up. Exact same thing happening here.
Yeah, same thing as here. Yeah, a lot of the time looking left, you're right, Zane. Looking left will give you a lot of hints, you know? Same kind of shit. This is fucking funny, dude.
And also, it's respecting previous lows, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah. And yeah, exactly, yeah.
I was faster than you. Yeah, making higher lows.
Yep.
And higher highs also.
And GU is also super tricky, man. USD pairs, man. I don't know. I don't. Yeah, no, that's fine. That's perfect. It's just for me, there's some stuff that there's some stuff that I tried with USD pairs that doesn't work as well as with GJ and GA and gold, and you know, because I don't know, it doesn't seem to respect those patterns the same way. So, but yeah, it seems to be respecting pretty well the QPs though. When I backtested GU back then, it respect pretty well the QPs, but there's some stuff on patterns that doesn't really respect it. And with the USD today, I think he got some stuff happening also. If I'm not.
At noon, I think Powell is speaking. Yeah. At noon.
Ooh, Powell.
So I'll be way far off the charts at noon.
Yeah. So say, you know, maybe that market is getting ready for that news also for the USD pair. So, and that's when you trade GJ or GA, you don't have a lot of impacted news during the time you trade, right? There's not a lot of stuff, you know. There's a couple news there and there, you know, but USD you always have news coming in your session every day almost, you know. So
sometimes it's priced in also.
Yeah.
The USD news.
Yeah, definitely they're gonna price it in. So definitely yes. Yeah, that no bottom wick, I think that was a good hint, and the fact that price came back above that QP, I would probably close like 50% right there, you know.
And the same thing, the same price action happened 3 times.
Yeah.
Can you look at DJ real quick?
Like here, and here.
That's actually crazy.
Yeah, crazy.
Alright, GG's closing in 50 seconds.
Yeah, GG.
Nice rejection here. Nice rejection on 4 hours. Looking at 1 hour, closing bearish.
Look at that 4 hour, man.
Yeah.
Huge week.
Yeah, this shit is coming back down. Dogtail set up on 4 hour. Let's go. That would be insane. I'm gonna try that once. For sure.
Sasha, can there be a dogtail setup on the 30? On the 30 minute?
No, I think that would be a stretch. That would be a stretch because I mean this is still bullish, right? So if you're using a dogtail setup, it's I don't know.
Next move is gonna be under 250.
The 1 hour makes sense, but the 1 hour is gonna be huge, you know. So no, I think now the best thing will be to wait for the 9 o'clock and 9:30 candle.
Yeah.
Because I think this thing's probably gonna break here. If this next candle, okay, so let's see. Let's put this into the chart. Okay, so basically what you want is this candle now. This is 1 hour. Hold on, wait a second.
Moi j'ai encore mon runner là.
Moi aussi. All right, so let's see. So you want this candle now. You want this candle to break. This is 8. That's gonna be 8:30 closing right here. So you want the 9 candle to come right here, and the 9:30 to break. That's option number 1. Option number 2, you want this 8 a.m. candle to kind of come play right around here. That that's the 8:30 right there. The 9 a.m. is gonna be closing like this, and the 9:30 is gonna do that. Dogtail is gonna retest and it's gonna melt.
Yeah.
So that's the 2 options here. So I'm gonna be looking at an NY Dogtail for my challenge account, and we'll see. So yeah, the goal is to do that challenge account based only on 1 candle trade. So I'm gonna be trading only 1 candle for that challenge. So I think it's gonna be a fun video to watch at the end. So I'm gonna be trading 1 freaking candle. That's it. The only candle I'm gonna be trading. And we'll see how it goes. And I don't give a shit if it works or not because I didn't pay for the challenge. So.
So you see the GA trade you took, you know that the same trade happened on GA.
On a GA, you mean?
Yeah, GA. The one you took on GJ, it happened. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here. Oops. Yeah.
Yep. Same idea.
For GA, it's more safety to wait till next QP will be broken, right?
Oh yeah. Because now it's just look at this.
It's a clean traffic, yeah.
Yeah, look at this major QP. Boom, boom, boom. This one just opened up here, so we don't know if it's gonna reject again.
I think what's gonna happen is like it's gonna push down because there's so much like not really kind of smooth. It's like
Yeah.
stages.
Oh yeah.
That normally happens. It normally just says.
When G is gonna break, it's gonna break hard.
Sasha?
Yep.
Now NYSC will open in 1 hour from now, or half an hour from now.
An hour and a half from now.
Oh, okay.
But volume usually start coming in around 9 a.m. So in 1 hour.
In 1 hour, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Actually, sorry, the volume start coming in at 9:30. Sorry, 1 hour and a half. I'm getting confused with all those times. It's just like
Me too.
I told you guys, I'm not smart.
On n'est pas intelligent, on est paresseux.
Ça, je le sais, Marc.
Hey Sasha, apologies if you have said, but which indicator to use on TV or on TradingView? Okay, for your QPs. Like I told you guys, I'm not smart. Give me a break.
Yeah, I like that.
So
That makes money.
hey, dude, if I can do it, let me tell you, I'm not smart. If I can do it, you can do it.
Comme la semaine passée, que tu te trompes de paire pis t'ouvres ça sur GA. C'était bon, man.
C'est pas sérieux, ça.
Ah ouais, non, c'est...
Man,
Ah, si tu savais, si tu savais le nombre d'histoires qu'on a.
Oh my god.
Ça a dû fonctionner quand même.
Le pire, c'est quoi?
Ah, ok.
Oh, pas cette fois-là, hein? Cette fois-là, ça a-tu marché?
Non,
Mais...
non.
Ok, mais toutes les autres fois, ça avait marché, hein?
Ouais.
Il y a un moment donné, c'est qui il a fait la dernière fois? Un moment donné, je pense qu'il voulait acheter J.A.
Ah, puis il y a un short, pis ça
Il s'est
marche.
trompé, il a short à la face, puis J.A. a droppé genre 10 pips. Hey, ça c'était insane. Nous, on l'avait acheté. On l'avait acheté, on dit bon, on va closer notre perte, puis moi avec, puis comme attends, je suis en bleu, comment ça se fait? J'ai shorté, ça fait.
Ou la shot que j'avais pris un 5 clous à la place d'un 0.5.
Yo.
C'est pas vrai.
Oh,
8.5, il était 800.
Oh,
j'étais
my
800$ dans
God.
le profit, man. J'étais comme, let's go!
On s'entend-tu que c'est pas la même game, là?
Non, 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 non.
5 lots pis 0.5, c'est pas tout pareil.
Non, non, tu fais le saut maintenant, tu fais le saut.
Hey, ça bouge vite, 5 lots, là.
Ah non, c'est insane, là. Ah ouais, trust,
C'est
là.
en live sur YouTube, je pense, là.
Ouais, ouais, c'est en live sur YouTube.
Wow.
5 lots, c'est genre 50 pièces du pit, man.
Ouais.
Ouais, ça bouge vite. Hey, une chance, tu pars pas ça sur Gold parce que m'a dit sur
Non,
Gold,
non,
ça
sur
bouge
Gold,
vite
tu
en
pleures, là.
tabarouette.
Il a annoncé
Fais juste entrer, pis tu blows ton compte, man.
Mais tu sais, déjà, je vois la différence parce que ces temps-ci, je vais avec entre 2 et 4 lots de ce temps-ci, tu sais. Puis c'est fou, man, comment ça bouge vite, là.
Oh.
Ben oui. Ça, tu fais toujours Funding Talent?
Non, non, ça c'est mon live account, ça, c'est mon argent, moi.
Ok. Ah, nice. Fait que là, t'as plusieurs comptes que tu gères.
J'ai mon compte perso, puis j'ai. Là, je viens juste d'ouvrir un challenge account hier.
Ah, ok.
Ouais.
Ok, tu fais plusieurs challenges. Je sais pas trop comment ça fonctionne.
Je fais un challenge, je n'avais fait un dans le passé.
Ouais, je me souviens.
Puis j'avais arrêté pour focusser sur mon argent perso. Puis là, ce que j'ai décidé de faire pour pas me mêler. So let me do this. Je vais le dire en français. I'm gonna repeat that in English right after, guys. Cause...
Oh, if you want to say it in
Non,
English,
on a les deux. Donc, qu'est-ce que j'ai décidé de faire? C'est que j'avais arrêté de faire mon funding account parce que c'était mêlant pour moi. Parce que je suis distrait très facilement, comme tu peux le constater. J'étais un peu TDA. Puis, c'était difficile pour moi de gérer deux comptes en même temps. Je me fourrais, je faisais plein d'erreurs comme on vient de mentionner. Fait que là, ce que j'ai décidé de faire, c'est que je trade mon compte comme je trade à tous les jours. Puis le challenge account, je vais le trader seulement à 9h30 ou à 9h sur mon setup du NY Dogtail setup. Puis c'est la seule chose que je vais faire avec ce challenge-là. Fait que comme ça, je me fourrerai pas, je me mêlerai pas, ça va être clean pour moi.
nice.
Ouais. Puis l'affaire aussi, c'est que sur ce setup-là, je fais un 1 pour 1 basé sur le pourcentage. Fait que, dans le fond, même si j'ai un stop loss de 50 pips, je le prends avec 2% de risque. Puis mon target, c'est 50 pips aussi. Puis jusqu'à là,
All out, là, c'est one-on-one.
ouais, mais 95% du temps, je hit.
TP.
Ouais. Ça m'a pris 8 trades passer le challenge en simulation. Ouais.
Ouais. Ah, c'est
Ça, c'est quoi, c'est 10% que ça te prend, à peu près?
8 avec Funding Talent.
Nice.
Ouais.
Nice.
Ouais, en fait, ça m'a pris 10 trades, excuse-moi. Ouais, 10 trades pour passer le challenge. So basically what I was explaining is, because someone asked about the Funding Talent Challenge. So you remember, if people were following me for a while, I stopped the challenge because I was getting confused with trading two accounts. I get distracted very easily. I do stupid mistake. You know, I can open a sell instead of a buy. You know, that's my kind of stuff. I can open a 5 lot instead of a 0.5. That's my kind of stuff. You know, I get really distracted very easily. So that's why I stopped my Funding Talent account and just focus on my own money. And now the new Funding Challenge account, what I'm going to do is I'm trading my own money for the session. And when NYSC happen, I trade the Funding Talent Challenge account based on my new NY Dogtail setup. And that's going to be a 1-for-1 almost every time. I did that on simulation. Took me 10 trades to pass the challenge. So let's see if it works. And I'm going to be trading that challenge just based on that. That's it. The rest I'm going to be focusing on my own money.
Do you
Sasha,
have a plan for maybe going full-time eventually, Sasha?
I don't feel the needs to do that right now.
No, for sure.
Because I really enjoy what I do every day. I'm having fun. I'm driving around with my dogs, see customers, you know. So until yeah, man, you know, I can do my schedule. I can do whatever I want, basically. So until I can do whatever I want or I have challenge, I will keep doing it. The only way I'll stop working at that job is if I don't see any more challenge for myself, and it gets boring. Let's say that's the only way I will stop. But until then, you know, I don't feel the need to. You know, I'm trading until 9 or 10 a.m. and after that, what do you want me to do? You know, jerk around? Just like, I don't know. You know, if I want to go play golf, I can go play golf. You know, I can go play golf with customers. So
If you want to go play golf with me,
yeah, that's it. Sure, man.
we should do a game, man.
Yeah, we definitely should. We definitely should, and we'll
I'm
go.
gonna invite you at my course. You're gonna feel tabawe.
Yeah, and we have my dad's also the owner of Carling Lake Golf Course. So yeah, we can go play there also. So yeah, we'll go for sure. Sasha, do you think? Okay, wait a second. Sasha, what do you think about the possibility of a double bottom on GJ Turbinate? Yes, it's something I'm keeping an eye on it.
Il n'y aura pas de double bottom, mais on break 2,50 puis on décollisse encore de 40 pips.
Yeah, it's something possible, but it's gonna be only valid when we break that neckline. You know. I know in the course I explained the more aggressive entry on the double bottom, but I will not look at this in this kind of setup right now. Yeah, you'll so be bored. It's rare to find a job that is so fulfilling. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I don't feel like working, so I mean, I like it.
T'es tellement une fou, j'aimerais ça être, t'es comme genre too happy, man. Like happy in the morning, happy about work, happy about trading. Like that's nice.
Life is great in that case.
Yeah, that's what life is about, man.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
That's what life is about.
but you know what? It takes time, and I know now I'm gonna sound old saying that, but it takes time to find your path. You know.
Sorry.
No, but it takes a while to find your path and really. I mean, when you go back at it, when you think about it, it's crazy. When you're like what 17, 16 years old, you move on to CJEP, which is in the United States is college, I guess. You gotta decide around like 17 years old. You gotta decide what you're gonna do for the rest of your life. That is crazy. You know, that's crazy. So, I mean, it takes a while, man, before finding your path. And you know what? I was doing insurance, and I was partnering in an insurance business with two other guys, and our business was doing super well, super well. We hit 10 millions in 3 years. It went right now I think they're over 50 million. I think, and I'm sure there are some of those guys watching right now. They're doing super good right now. And because I know we got a couple people that trades that in that firm, but I had no fun doing it. You know, I had no fun doing it, so I kind of decided to move on and had an opportunity to work with this company. And basically, I kind of reduced my income by a lot. You know, because I mean I was part owner of that company, right? So I was making pretty decent money, and I was getting a huge pay cut. Going to work for the dog food company. But the reason why I did it is because, I mean, being happy and having fun has no price, you know. For me, having a pay cut made sense if I had fun. But of course, my goal was to get back to that level. So I told the owner of that new company, I said, like, listen, guys, I'm willing to take a pay cut now for maybe a year or two, but understand that we need to get back at this after a while, you know. So, I mean, it was clear and goals were set and target was reached. And, I mean, now I'm just, you know, I'm enjoying it, you know, so.
Yeah, what a story, man.
Man,
What a morning.
For real.
what a man. What a man.
Oh, come on, stop it.
Shut up. People are asking you how old you are because I brought it up.
Oh, I'm,
At least 50 years old.
I'm 26.
I'm joking.
Look at this, I'm 26.
He's like 38, 39, I guess.
Yeah, me too.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I'm 30. Hold on, wait a second. I'm 30.
Ça devient tough avec les années. Comment ça, comment?
I'm 38 or 39? Hold on, wait a second. Chérie!
J'ai quel âge déjà?
Chérie!
He's gonna pull out his driver's license.
Chérie!
Yeah.
J'ai dit 38 ou
Mais ça
39?
va qu'il y a 38 ou 39.
Yeah, 30. Il est pas 40, no way.
Non, 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 non.
No way.
Looks like I'm 39.
Party,
What's that?
I asked my girlfriend. I'm 39.
Yeah, that was right.
I always get confused. I always forget.
Can't see that.
Next time, moi, je vais ouvrir un 4 lots, je vais avoir un 40 lots, j'ai fait 6 000.
Non, c'est lit. Ah non, c'est à peu près ça.
Sans faire exprès.
Ouais.
Hey, ça, c'est pas le même level, là.
Chris, j'ai oublié de bouger mon stop en profit, man.
Toi, Phil, t'as quel âge? T'es 25?
26. Je viens d'avoir 26.
This, what the fuck?
26, man. You're
I
young.
just turned 23 like the past month.
On a tous un
23,
fuck,
baby.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Wait a second. We are at 275 likes. I really want to hit 300 today. Can we do a sprint?
Go give a like.
Can we do a sprint and hit 300 likes, guys? Come on, let's do it.
What's the name of the on YouTube?
Get back.
All right, let's read some comments here on YouTube. I'm late on the chat here. For me, buy only 151 200. 151 200. Oh, above there. Yes, that makes sense.
Just give a like.
Nice.
Thank you, thank you. Hey Sasha, can you confirm of this? Okay, we saw that. So you have to be in mentor program. Oh yeah, so the question with Mini Roo. So you have to be in the mentor program to be on the live stream. On YouTube, no, of course. But in the Zoom, yes. But not today and tomorrow. It's gonna be open to anyone, and the link's gonna be hidden somewhere. You gotta watch Forex Talk over here to know where it's gonna be hidden. So Ruri, I don't know if I said that right. Oh, actually, just subscribe and liked better than Raja. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm not gonna start anything here. No. I mean, Raja's really good, and he's my mentor and a friend, and
Where it all started, man, is all from Raja.
yeah, it all started with him. So
Do you know the meaning of Raja?
yeah, big respect for this guy. I mean, because I learned a lot of stuff before him, and he actually really helped me, like, seeing through everything, you know. So
Yeah, give him a shout out.
oh yeah, for sure, man. Every freaking day, man. I still tag him in some stuff I do, and we talk, and you know, I mean, big, huge respect. He's the one who actually helped me a lot, you know. So I will never say nothing against him. Okay, take a look at Euro GPY, big buy opportunity. Oh, maybe if you send your chart, I'll take a look at it for sure. Gold has no lower wicks. Wow, great channel. Oh, thank you, Trading Space. Thank you. Did they win good trade today? Oh yes, we got 2 wins back to back on GJ and a win on gold. So it was pretty good. Good morning, Sasha. We have the same trade idea but different execution. Oh, let's take a look at this. All right, we're getting super close to that 300 likes, guys. We're just missing a last push. Can we get it? Man, I don't know why this music is getting me so happy, man.
Yeah.
It's always the same beat. It's always the same beat over and over, but it's just like, I don't get tired of it. It's just like, yeah. You just want to smile, right? Oh, this chart doesn't seem to be working. Let's take a look again. Here, copy. This X is there. Okay. Let's take a look. Oh, here we go. All right, so we got here minor support, resistance formed, execution impulse sells. This is, oh, on the 15 minutes. Okay. Secure 12 pips. All right, so let's take a look at this here. I want to see something. I'm trying to see, where did you enter here? On the break of that support in that 15-minute? Oh, right here. Wait a second. Break of that support right here. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, so based on that 30-minute, I think you had a better entry. You know what? What's funny is something I realized. That's one of the reasons I also stopped trading 15 minutes, because I realized that trading the 30-minute almost every time, there's some exception, right? But most of the time you will get almost the same entry as a 15-minute with less stress, or you might get a better entry actually. You know, so so less stress, less stressful, and you know, better confirmation time frame. Oh, Zane sent a chart here.
Yeah, can you pick the last chart that I think?
This one, right?
This one? Yeah, I think so, yeah, because I'm just like, I was looking at the pound pairs, and they're kind of looking, not bullish, but like, kind of, you see what I mean?
It was bullish, but since we broke, let's say, if you look, so it was bullish, but since we broke that support right here, I think we have a change of structure right here. So looks like price might coming down. If we need to make sure we break this zone here. This is the safest thing. If we break this, for sure we're coming down. Yeah. But now price might react to this and push back up. This one's gonna be a tricky one on GA.
Yeah, I might just try to stay away from that one because
it might be a tricky one on GA.
And the reason why I was saying that my full bias is bullish is because in the daily and all the high time frames, it was pushing up, and all the pound pairs like this week have just had a huge sell off.
Yeah.
And I was thinking, and that sell off like talking now and hitting some reversal points in that bit. So I was thinking that as this 4 hour is struggling to break the support, that there's a possibility that you could go long, but not for now. Not for now.
Yeah, I mean, you want to make sure you get back onto under that major. Because right now, I mean, we're still didn't create a new high, right? We're still respecting this high. So if this close like this, I think we're going to have a continuation to the downside. Oop, what the hell happened? So yeah, what a nice rejection here.
That 800 KP is strong.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. This major, man, is really strong.
Hopefully it doesn't do what it did over here.
But this 1 hour closed above it just barely, you know, so I don't really trust it. And this is a doji. I see that more bearish than bullish, to be honest. Yeah. Just need to make sure we come back down under that QP though. Alright, so this runner is now running like 24 pips. Not bad. Gold has no low wick on mini time frame. Oh. I mean, oh, look at this, man. Gold hit full TP and went straight down, so I mean, yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. Good morning, Sasha. We have this. Okay, I saw that. Which challenge are you currently doing, Sasha? I'm doing the Funding Talent Challenge account, the 100K account. I asked for a 200K account, but they don't have it yet. So, and they said you can trade two 100K account, but I get distracted too. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna wait for the 200K account. So there's no way I'm gonna trade 3 accounts at the same time. Take a look on GJ Sasha. Oh yeah, I guess we did that. Yeah. What do you do? I work for this company here. So this is my work. So basically, I'm sales director for this company. So yeah. So basically, I promote this company all around Canada, and we just started in the US with Chewy.com. So now our product is now available on Chewy.com, and we're trying to sign up some deals with Colombia, and we got also our first shipment to where was it again? Korea. Sorry, South Korea. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. All right, let's take a look here. Do we have any more questions here?
Number 250.
Yeah. 250 breaking. What time is it?
Pretty excited.
Pretty excited. 25 pips running.
Yeah, 29.
Oh, you bastard. 4 pips more than me. All right, let's take a look at the chat again. We got some comments here coming in. All right, wait. How old is Sasha? Swear you look like 32 max. It's all the cream I put on my face. Yeah, because I use good vitamins. Inspiration, bro. Oh, thank you. All right, we got 300 likes, guys. I actually we're at 310, so that's pretty amazing. Thank you, guys. Very appreciate. I really appreciate that. Tomorrow is my birthday, and I won today 4%. Youssef, hey man, that's a great birthday gift, man. 4%. Woo. What's the TP on GJ?
149.
Yeah. Hold on, I'll show you my final target in just a second. I subscribe. All right, awesome, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Because if you like the stream, I mean, go subscribe so you'll know next time I go live. Actually, next time I go live is going to be... Oh, yeah, actually, I do tomorrow morning. Usually, I don't do it, but I'm going to do tomorrow morning. And I'm going to do Friday night Forex Talk Over Beer. This is where I'm going to be draw 3 winners of the $100 coupon for the course. GA, it is also a trend line. Okay, U.S. employment news is coming out shortly. Yes, true.
Let me open my Bloomberg then.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How much percentage do you make? How much percentage do you make on average on that Funding Talent account? I don't know yet because it's just started now today. Try social trader tools for multiple accounts. Oh wow, I'll take a look at that. Colombia's beautiful country. Yes, man. And hopefully when the C word is done, I'm gonna have to travel over there for work, so that's gonna be pretty awesome. Sasha, 2 quick question. All right. Why do you trade 2 accounts? Well, I basically only trade 1 account, which is my main account, but now I got the Funding Challenge account, so that's why I have 2 accounts. And do you ever fear of blowing an account? No. And you know why? Because I never risk more than 3%. So how can I blow my account if I only risk 3%? That's it. You know, I never even came close of blowing an account. Never. And the reason why is I was super tight with my money. And actually, even there today, I'm not risking... It's crazy. Like, sometimes sometimes I say I'm risking 1%. I do the math at the end. I'm like, fuck, man, that was like 0.7. You know, it's like I'm so dumb at math, but I always like around 1%. You know, 2%. But you know, I always risk less, a little bit less, because I don't know. I'm like that. To be honest, with what I have, I can do way bigger lot size than what I'm doing. Sorry, allergies coming. Oh, sorry, allergies. So yeah, so I'm that kind of guy. I worked really hard for my money, so I'm pretty tight with it. But that's something I'm trying to change now. I'm trying to work on my psychology and, you know, risk a little bit more. How to mark these lines? Thanks. Basically, they are QPs, so basically you mark them as round numbers. So 500, 750, 250, round numbers, right? Pretty basic. You take your trading view horizontal lines and you just place it where you want. Basic. Alright, so we are having a hard time breaking that 250 QP, man. That 250 QP is in play. Look at this. Rejection, 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 rejection. But the more time we hit a resistance or support, it gets weaker.
It's gonna break.
Yeah, it gets weaker. People think it's getting stronger. No, it's a strong area, but it's like knocking the wall. If you punch the wall many times, at one point it can go through the wall, you know? So, because it's getting weaker and weaker. So same concept here with support and resistance. How do you learn to trade Forex for free? Basic. You go on, I'm going to do this one more time. So you go on babypips.com. You go into education. Here, how to trade Forex. So you can start with preschool, kindergarten, elementary, and after that you can look for mentors and someone to help you progress, you know. But all the basic can be learned from here. I start from there. I think pretty much everyone started from there. Ouais, tout est cool en Christ. Ça c'est drôle, man. Boom, boom, boom. Take care, buddy. Ciao, attention à toi. Take care, take care. How to mark these lines? Okay, how do you learn? Sasha, can you finish the story of when you were speaking to your friends about how you nearly understood patterns? How you nearly understood patterns? What was that story again? Hold on. How you nearly understood patterns? Man, I don't remember, sorry. I took the 2 trades I sent early, close out with 10% gain. Whoa! Don't want news to impact it. Thanks, Sasha. Man, you're welcome, Titans. Good job, man. Good job. What do you risk on the Funding Town Challenge per trade? I'm going to be risking probably 2%. You got COVID? No, allergies. Sasha has the whole man sneeze. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know, it is what it is. Andre, Sasha, did you check with Funding Tank if it would be possible to link 100K account via trade copier in a second? I'm sure it's possible to do it. I'm pretty sure it's possible, but I'm so not techie and I suck at everything that's around those kind of things. So I don't have the patience to do it, to be honest. Like just yesterday, setting up a new broker account for me, it's just like painful, man, painful. I have much more, I have a lot of stuff to do in a day. So for me, it's, I don't know, trying to figure out how this thing works. It's just like, I don't know, maybe one time, but, oh, Winnie, sorry I missed your chart, man. Hi, Sasha, can you help me check out this chart? Some Q&As for some Q&As, yes. For taking second trade after one loss. Thanks, appreciate. All right, let's take a look at this. All right, let's take a look at this. Break up and closed. Enter. This is GJ, right? When it pulled back into the zone and turned bullish. Cut 50% when it fall under the zone. Cut everything when it passed down. Instead of 16 pips loss, total 8 pips loss. Okay. My Q&A is when you take first trade loss, how would you take a second trade in the what's OPP? You know OPP? You know me. You know no. Okay. OPP entry. How do you tell yourself to take when there's a good setup for the sell mindset? Maybe you can share with us. Thanks. Okay. Okay, let me see. So first of all, you need to figure out like what was your mistake. You know, what is the learning out of this trade? So the learning, I think, is price is melting. So you need price to come up and push back down. Hold on, what time was this? Hold on, wait a second.
It was London Open.
Oh, that was London Open. Okay, okay. Yeah. So that was like right here. Okay, I see. Yeah, I think you want to make sure. Well, first of all, okay, let me put this back here for a second. Uh-oh. Where's this trade now? Okay, this one here. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this is going to be an easy one then. Okay. That's going to be an easy one. Okay, so you took your entry here, and this is the perfect example of a stupid fake out. Not you stupid, you know, the fake out is stupid. So this is the best example. Do you know how many people get traps into this? You have no idea, man. It's crazy how many people get traps into this. So this is a nice freaking trap, you know. People's gonna see that nice bullish candle breaking this, because you have a zone here, right? So this is consolidation. Price is coming and playing in this, and finally breaking here is like, oh my God, we are breaking. But most of the time when you break in consolidation zone, it's gonna fuck you up because it's gonna come back down, you know. So that's why I don't trade breakout of consolidation anymore. You know, if you're trading a breakout consolidation, you want to see something break, retest, and go. And now you're gonna avoid fake outs. That is the best way to have out fake outs. Or you can go with a dogtail setup. So basically our students, after watching the course, were able to watch this. They actually, let me erase that for a second. So Roman that you see on the stream here, and with other students was trading London session. And when they saw that, actually, they said, hey, that might be a fake out. So let's wait for dogtail setup or a retest. And this never happened. Instead, we just had a resistance form and price pushed down. So they actually took the impulse, not the impulse entry, but after breaking here, they took that dogtail setup. They wait for that tail to form to the top side, took the entry on the break, and boom, took profits. So yeah, so the best thing is you need to spot what was the mistake. So the mistake was getting out of consolidation. You took a buy once it was a fake out, basically. So once you realize it was a fake out, now you can give your trade a second chance and realize, okay, it was a fake out. Now let's wait for a break and a retest on the upside or the downside, and I'm gonna give my trade a second chance. So that would be the best way to do it, I guess. So hopefully that answered the question.
That's like exactly what's happening now too. That candle breaking down.
Yeah.
It's like taking a sell there pretty much.
Yeah, exactly. So, but in this time, it can be a little different. Like with this NY open volume coming in, you can expect price to just melt. That is something very, very, very possible. Especially that we are trending down, right? Compared to this one here on top, we are trending down, and now you want to go on the opposite side. So you got less probability on your side, right? And look, I mean, in this, you had one fake out here. Hold on, wait a second. So you had a first fake out here, and you had a second fake out here. Crazy.
GG is crazy. Come on, I was waiting it for all day. Now it's just melting.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I'm telling you. New York Open is gonna push it down. But again, no FOMO, guys. Don't jump in just to jump in it. Relax, you know. let me tell you, if this melts, there's gonna be another candle, especially with the NYSC coming on. So let's wait for a better opportunity, man.
Hey, Sasha, you're staying here till what time?
Well, I wanted to close the stream early, but I got really good questions, so I kind of stay on. But I'm looking to close this pretty soon because I want to go train. And wow, this trade is running like 40 pips now.
It's reaching 150 as you told, maybe. As
Yep.
you told,
Yeah, no, it's gonna hit 150. It's gonna hit 150. That is not even a question.
crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna hit 150. Andre, Sasha, did you check what funding? Okay, I answered that. I can never watch Talk Over a Beer. It's midnight here when you start. Oh, yeah. So maybe I'll do something on Instagram for people that cannot watch it, and you'll be able to participate into the draw. So I'll do something. Yeah, I'll do something on Instagram. So yeah, you're right. But you can always watch a replay. Do you think after break 200 GJ there could be a second entry? I'm not looking at second entry right now. I will try once I have my access to my live account with a trade copier. Second option would be to use the new old version of Magic Key on 2 separate accounts. Wait a second. The new version, you cannot have access to 2 separate accounts? Oh, different direction. Okay, I see. Alright, let's see if we have it.
This dovetail set up at 4 hours, GJ.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Yeah, man, that setup has been playing pretty well. Here, let's see. GJ TP for sell. Yeah, I'll show. Oh, yeah, true. I forgot about that. So basically, TP. I'm gonna secure another partials here at 150. And my final TP is gonna be a crazy ass one, but it's gonna be 149. This will be my final TP. But at this stage, I'm only going to be left with 5%.
Nice morning for you, Sasha. 3 wins.
Yeah, pretty happy with that.
Did you trade it gold or just watch it?
No, that one was a paper trade.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't trade gold. I don't feel the need of trading gold. It's like, why should I trade gold when I can get my pips on GA and GJ, you know? And gold is, yeah, I'm getting wins. Like, you know, I got a lot of wins now these days on gold, but I don't know. For me, it's just like, it's too...
Good to scalp, no?
It's good to scalp, but, you know, I can do the same shit on GJ and GA, and it's safer, you know, because I know GJ and GA better.
100% safer.
Yeah.
Gold can move so fast, it can slip your stop loss or your
Oh yeah,
profit.
people get excited with gold because they see people posting those big trades, and you know, it's like, yeah, I don't give a yeah, exactly. You know how much, you know how many people that blow accounts on gold? It's just crazy.
If you don't know how to trade gold, don't trade it.
Yeah, no, gold is another beast.
Really risky.
Gold is a wild horse, man.
Yeah, 100%.
All right, 42 pips, baby. Let's go. All right, let's see the question here. 2% from. Oh, 2% from $100,000. Yes, 100K. Will you take an impulse entry if this 30-minute breaks the low? Oh no, because I'm already in the trade. You know, I got a runner. Sasha, there's a flag after breakout to bearish. Flag? Yeah, I don't know about flags. Sasha, For break consolidation, do you wait for the next candle to form as a retest, or as a wick testing support and resistance is enough to take the trade for the breakout? Yeah, I guess I answered that. Sasha, you almost scared me when you closed your trade. I thought my trade were closing themselves. Oh no, I was not closing my trade. I was actually moving my stop loss. Because I had to drag it like all the way down to, not my stop loss, sorry, my TP. So I had to drag it all the way down to 149. So I didn't close. I still have my runner. I'm closing another partials at, actually I need to set it up actually. Partial TP here, it's gonna be at 150. Let's put 150.010 just to make sure we hit it. And I'm gonna put 50, gonna close here. Yep, oh man, it came super close to it. Woo, sheesh. Alright.
Today was a great lesson about equal century at London and New York session.
Yes. Oh yeah.
And I didn't take any trades. I feel a little bit disappointed about it, but at least I understand why, where, and how to execute the trade right now.
That's perfect, man.
Same here, Roman. No trades, just waiting.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So, Sasha, if it comes back up and creates a tail, then we'd have to wait for price to break to all that.
Yes.
Saw, right?
Yes. Especially now, right in front of that major QP. You know? And as you see, price rejected this golden zone and boom, melt, right? I should get the volume. Das is slapping the YouTube people. That's like, give more likes.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it. All right, 43. Oh, whoa, 44 pips. Let's go. Man, we're super close to that full TP. Not full TP, but that second partials. I mean, that third partials. Yeah, third partials.
Nice.
Yeah, we literally tapped that major QP. We're like, what, maybe 2 pips away from... 2 pips away from that major QP. I will consider that as a tap in the major QP. Because don't forget, those QPs are areas. So it can be anywhere like 5 to 3 pips around that area, you know?
Bro, I have one question.
Oh, what the hell? Trying to modify that partial TP. Should be fine. I'll be right back, guys. I need to take my dogs out.
Okay, I'm leaving. Sasha, take care.
Alright, take care, guys.
Thank you, and nice to be back on the stream.
Yeah, man. Welcome. Coming tomorrow.
Sir.
Hey, you know what, guys? You know what? It's almost 9 here, so I'm gonna close the stream right now. I need to move on with my day. So thank you very much for watching. I'll be here tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, 5:30 a.m. Eastern, we'll be back at it. And if you got your win, guys, don't be stupid. Don't give back your money to the market. Stop trading. Have an amazing day. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été là. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été des nôtres. On va se voir demain matin, 5h30 AM Eastern. Merci beaucoup tout le monde. Bonne journée. Have an awesome day. Thank you.